Let's share the screen. Okay. Let's share the screen from this Discord. Bloom. You know what? Let's call in literally the face of evil. Where is he? Where is he? Did he change his name? No. Mr. Kitty. Okay. So, oh,
Can you hear me? Hello?
I can hear you. I can see you. Yeah.
You can see me. My camera's not even on. Wow,
No.
you got some vision.
Yeah.
Your Discord must be better than everyone else's.
Yeah. Anyway, I want to get into AI and implement my 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 own understanding. Can you see my screen? Mein screen. Can you see my screen? What's that noise?
What noise?
What?
What noise? What noise?
Like that noise.
Are you
Anyway,
using DeepSeek?
yeah, let's just DeepSeek. So I asked DeepSeek, please write Python code of a simplest AI model. Okay.
That's just a linear progression, isn't it?
Linear regression, you mean?
Sorry, yes, it's a regression. Sorry.
Okay, let's copy it. Let's create a new notebooks. Jesus Christ, why is it? This is my computer is set for dark mode.
Yeah.
My
So
computer
what's
is dark mode. Why? Now it's
so is your
dark.
browser set to dark mode?
It doesn't have to.
Okay.
It should inherit from the
Should be
system.
some issue with Google. Okay.
Maybe settings. Same as Windows. I don't want to say dark.
You should just
Say dark.
yeah, just set it to dark. That way it doesn't have to be, yeah, probably. Then it doesn't have to be light and then dark.
So this is their website. This is the DeepSeek website. There's no. I guess they didn't set it up for dark mode.
Right. Sure, of course.
They didn't give the options. I mean, I have. Is this dark?
You have an extension or something?
Yeah, but when I click the extension, now it's on, now it's off, now it's on. It doesn't do anything. So I don't know. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it same as Windows. It should inherit dark mode. Okay, well, let me throw away mine and gum. I don't want to make noise. Let me drink some poison. Let me see. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so we copied this, I guess, into here. Let's paste it. Did it copy everything? Okay, let's see what it looks like. So we run it. Yeah. Okay. Running. Executing. Still execute. I guess the first time is slow. There it is. Predicted value for input 6 is 5.199. Okay. Yeah, you're making noise. You want to hear the noise?
I'm making noise.
Yeah, you want
I
to
thought
hear
I
it?
heard something there. Maybe I'll try it through headphones and see
Yeah,
if they help.
yeah. Just like don't disconnect. Like I could let you hear the noise if you want.
Yeah, I thought I heard some kind of loud.
Like I could let you hear the noise if you want. You want to hear the noise? Okay. Running. Who joined us? Ed Boy. Hello, Ed Boy. Still execute. I guess the first time is slow. There it is. Predicted value for input 6 is 5.199. Okay. I'm waiting for the. There's the
Yeah,
noise.
you're making
noise. 199. Okay. That's the
Yeah,
noise.
you're making
Did you hear it?
Yeah, I heard it. Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know what's causing it.
Don't worry about it. Okay. So they say. Let's close this. This is. Okay, we can close this. So let's see what they say. Okay, certainly. Below is an example of the simplest AI model using Python. This example uses a basic linear regression model to predict a value based on input data. We'll use. So is it building? I guess this is an array. X is an array. Y is an array. Of what? X represents the input, Y represents the target variable, exam score. Let me see what he says. So this example uses basic linear regression model to predict a value based on input data. We will use the scikit-learn library. Have you ever heard of this? Or scikit-learn?
Yeah, it's some kind of scientific library for doing calculation.
Okay, but is there a neural network in this thing? Is it based on a neural?
No, there's no neural network. That's just a linear regression program.
It's just linear regression, which is a popular machine learning library in Python. So there's no neural
There's no
network.
LLM.
No, I don't
Yeah,
need
there's
an
no neural network.
LLM. I'm just asking, is there a neural? Train the model. If you train the model, I mean, the only thing you can train is a neural network. There's nothing else in the universe we know how
Oh,
to.
maybe Skykit has that built in or something. I ask it about it. Ask it, does it have
I
like a
guess
neural network?
no. Create a linear regression model. I mean, make a. Let's predict.
I don't know exactly what's in the Scikit library.
Let me ask it. Is it a neural network? No. The code I
Yeah,
provided
that's a
is
machine
not a
learning
neural.
library.
It is a linear
Sorry, go on.
regression model, which is one of the simplest forms of machine learning model. Linear regression is a statistical method. That doesn't help me. What is it
Well,
saying
machine
now?
learning
Mm-hmm.
is going to be related to
I
like
don't.
neural networks.
What do you mean related to? Is there? Wait, this is based on TensorFlow. Simplest neural. Oh, so look, it's already. It's so smart, and it says no. Okay, neural network versus linear regression. Linear regression, a simplest model that assumes a linear relationship between input and output, does not have layers, neurons, or activation function. Neural network, a more complex model inspired by the human brain. It consists of layers of interconnected neurons, nodes, Jesus, and use activation functions to introduce nonlinearity. Neural networks can model much more complex relationships in data. Simplest neural network. If you want to see the simplest possible neural network, here's an example using the Keras, never heard of it, library, part of TensorFlow. TensorFlow I've heard of. Okay, this neural network has one input layer, one output layer, and no hidden layers. Step 1, install required libraries. Make sure you have TensorFlow installed. So pip install TensorFlow. Okay, let's, I guess. Okay, so let's paste. Wait, what? What's going on? Why is it not understanding requirement TensorFlow? What's going on? Why is it so upset? Required already satisfied. I guess it's already satisfied. It doesn't. It's built in or something. Who knows?
Yeah, looks good. Yeah.
Yeah. Python code for simplest neural network. We can close this. We're not doing any more particle physics for now. We need to get back to work. Wait, what? There's like warnings. Import necessary
It doesn't look like a serious warning.
Yeah.
It's
Predicted.
like just a type thing.
Predicted value for 6.0 is 5 point this. Okay. So what is this? User warning: do not pass in input shape, input dim argument to a layer when using sequential. So I guess this is outdated. How can I copy code cell? Show clear. Why can't I just copy? Okay, copy. I want to show DeepSeek. Oops. The warning you are seeing is a suggestion from Keras to use an input layer. Okay, here's the new version. It's not finished. Let's copy it. Is it done now? Okay. Copy. Still, I see a warning. Okay, import necessary libraries. Okay, still there's something here. Import tensor could not be resolved. Can I copy this? The error import typically occurs when the TensorFlow library is not installed in your Python environment or your IDE text editor is unable to locate. Let's resolve. Verify TensorFlow is installed. I tried. If Tensor is already installed, you can check. Let's try this. Maybe I should just run it. Okay, so it's already installed. Why is it showing an error? That's so confusing. Oh, energy, battery. Are you there? Oh, you're on mute? What?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, I'm
oh,
here.
you're mute because of the noise? Hello,
Yeah, I don't know what's causing it.
hello, Schmel staff. We're doing AI.
You're doing AI, like
Yeah.
you're doing it, like
Teach us introduction to neural
you
networks.
just sent everybody into shock.
Is everybody in shock? Why would anybody be in shock? Because of DeepSeek?
As I said, you're fucking the AI hard.
Am I fucking the AI hard?
Yeah, you're doing it.
Oh, I'm doing it. Yeah, exactly. Anyway, so I don't understand why I'm getting. Oh, the error is gone. Oh,
What are
connecting.
you erroring on?
Before it was showing like, yellow, red, but now, yeah, here it is. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Oh, it's
What's your
back.
background, Mr. Slade?
What?
What's your background, Mr. Slade?
Mine in background. I've done many things in my life, but I can't really talk about anything.
But you have some like at least surface level knowledge of. Your ears seemed to perk up when I was talking about speed the other day.
Wait, your audio is horrible again. Why is your audio so bad?
It literally isn't. You're just making it up, bro. You just make it up. Like
Okay.
text streams, honest to God.
Okay, what's this So your pip is not defined. Why am I getting a warning? Pip is not defined. It's actually an error. What's going on?
What do you?
I don't know where the code is, but what is that, like a terminal or something?
What do you mean?
Something doesn't recognize the pip command.
This is here. I mean, this is what's its name? This is Gemini. I mean, this is Google Colab. This is a Google Notebook. Here, you can have access to it. Let's
Right,
do.
but
This looks like
the
shit.
notebook has the settings for the commands. Like this, you know what I mean? Like sometimes you have to set it so that it recognizes the language or something.
Well, I mean, it's obviously running without a glitch, but
Why are you writing terminal commands in when it's asking you to write code?
oh, you're saying there's a separate terminal?
No, it says start coding or generate it with AI, and you wrote in a terminal command.
Because we were getting a warning. That's what this guy told us. Here, I'll copy full working code. So I'll take the full working code. I'll paste it here. This is the code. I'll run it. I'm getting warnings. I don't like having warnings in my code. Even though it's running, it's doing something, I just don't
Well,
like.
there might be a website that validates your code.
Are you
This could be a
talking about
code
those
checker.
squigglies?
Wait, what?
Sorry?
It's called a debugger.
What?
Why are you worried about the squigglies or?
The yellow? Yeah, the yellow squiggly. I don't like yellow squiggly.
Well, that's probably because could not be resolved. Yeah, you don't have that package.
So how is it running? How is it?
It's
Just,
not running with that
copy the name of
package.
It's what? Wait, one at a time. What? Schmelstaff. What's? How is it running? If I'm missing something, how is it running? Could not be resolved. But it's running.
It's probably because TensorFlow is proprietary, like a proprietary. It's not running. If it was
It's
running,
not.
there'd be some kind of output.
This is the output.
It says 0 seconds. It's not running.
No, 61 milliseconds or microseconds. I guess
First step. But it had no runtime.
predicted value for input. I think this is what it's supposed to show. This is the output as predicted. This is the expected output. So
Okay. I guess it does.
and
It's
it
weird
says,
that it's got a squiggly then.
it. Tell
They couldn't
tell
resolve
them you're
that.
using
it literally says it should
Google
run for
Colab.
0 seconds and 56 milliseconds. 56 milliseconds, it's not insignificant.
It's gonna vary. You'll never get the same time. You'll keep running. Well, you'll get the same time, but you won't get the same time every time.
Right, but
You run it again, it won't be 61.
Sure. But okay, it's running. But why am I getting these warnings? Is my question.
They're not warnings. They're
A view problem. No quick fixes available.
that's not gonna. It's not gonna help you. There's nothing wrong if it needs that and it needs to import sequential, and then I can see that it's using something from the sequential package. Then I mean, it's just lying.
Okay.
What's the third problem? Hold on.
Okay.
There's
All right.
3.
Okay,
I
let's.
don't know what would be lying there. Like, I mean,
Why it would be lying? Probably because it feels like it doesn't have access to that package or something, and then it actually does. I don't know. I don't know.
I
It should be able to resolve it if it lies somewhere in its like file system or whatever the fuck it's doing. I've never seen that compiler before. So.
Yeah, just tell it that you're using Google Colab
You've never
to
seen.
somewhere to resolve the yellow
you've-
squiggly line.
You've never seen Google Colab?
No,
How do you write Python?
I don't write Python. Python's for fucking
with a keyboard.
retards.
What?
Why would you choose to write in
That's what
Python unless you're like a tech bro, like AI bro, like big data bro?
We're doing AI.
What's wrong? What's wrong with Python? It's like actually perfect for big data.
What's wrong with Python? It's actually perfect for big data. That's all.
Well,
it's
that
useful
sounds like
for.
somebody who doesn't know what
That's
they're
all
talking
it's
about, so
useful
they,
for.
they
If I
just
can write
fucking
Okay,
if I
make
can write
fun
the
of.
same data
Wow.
structures on an integral language, then I'm gonna do that.
Python is used extensively in like data science and big data, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that doesn't mean it's not. It has no application outside of big data because it actually sucks as an object-oriented dude. Like,
What do
I
you
mean,
you're
it's
scripting
not trying to be
object.
object oriented, but you could use it like that if you want to.
Yeah.
Really
You
structured.
could,
That's
but
one of the
you
best
can't
things
really.
about Python is that it's so flexible and you can just like prototype some shit up real quick and ignore a bunch of rules, dude. If you're gonna make it an
fucking retarded.
enterprise corporate,
That's
app or
fucking
something,
super
obviously clean it
retarded.
up. But like, dude, big data, it's really good. I don't know,
Bro,
what the fuck.
that's like you know, going into construction and just like, oh yeah, this fucking pole banger in the grounder thing, you know, it works really well,
No,
right?
you
It
can't
doesn't work
work
for
that.
this application.
Python
right?
is
So
we
we're gonna
did the
use it anyway,
blueprints for
right?
you, and
We're
then
gonna
you're gonna be
use it
like,
I feel like we're
well, why would you even
we're
do
getting
a
off the beaten
blueprint?
path
That's
here.
fucking really dumb.
Okay. Look, everybody. Okay. Look.
Okay, what?
So
I didn't
everybody.
even know you guys are gonna be talking about tech. I just wanted to say vegans are dumb.
Yeah, vegans are dumb.
Yes,
They're not dumb.
true.
Vegans are evil. That's like saying Hitler was
Vegans are
dumb. Hitler
Nah.
was not dumb. Hitler was evil. Perfectly evil.
Hitler was also dumb.
Oh, Hitler was evil.
Yeah,
Was he a
but-
vegan?
I
That
guess you could
explains a
make
lot.
the argument that they're giving like the Polish death
I wonder
camp,
why.
like,
Is Trump a fucking vegan too?
Okay, one at a
Yeah.
He
time.
wants to be
Could
fucking
we
Hitler.
speak one at a
who is
time?
this Nig? Somebody fucking tackle this guy and put him in jail.
Schmelstaff. All right, let's de-escalate the violence. Okay.
Let's talk about how dope Python
Let's
is.
de-escalate the
No.
violence.
Okay.
All right.
So Schmelstaff doesn't like Python because Schmelstaff he likes C and assembly and maybe even flip-flops. Did you study about flip-flops, by the way, Schmelstaff?
Flip flops, bro. No. You put a language in front of my face. You say like, "Oh, this is Racket. It's so cool. It's used for this
Dude, I was
purpose."
studying
And I'm gonna tell you to
flip-flops and they're
actually
just
lick my
flips.
shit.
Wait,
Like, I'm gonna actually get you to lick my shit.
Schmelstaff. Flip-flops are like you take a bunch of gates and you create a flip-flop, and a flip-flop is the most fundamental logic unit with basically it's a memory unit with which you build like actual circuits.
I'm not a computer engineer.
Okay,
I never
okay,
will
fine,
be.
Okay, fine. It doesn't-
Good for you. I like your honesty.
Okay, look,
I
I'm
would've said
just
the
saying
same
there's
shit.
different layers. So Python is a very, very, I would say high level layer. Like it's very removed.
Yeah, no shit. Bro, are you gonna explain technology to us? Because I'm not here for that. I know where Python is on the ladder. It's way
Okay.
up there.
Look, I just
What's
wanna
wrong with that though?
I just want to de-escalate the situation. So I'm just saying, let's use Python.
What's wrong with that as the railway problem? The fact that we're building things high complexity on top
I just
of
want to
things
build.
of high complexity.
I want to
Everything is built on top of something else. Unless you want to
Exactly.
get into the bottom
Yes,
fucking layer.
yes.
Like,
You it has to be. It
bro,
fundamentally has
things
to
like
be.
these
Python
high level
isn't-
languages are good. It
Yeah.
makes it easier to code. It
Python
makes
isn't
it
making
more
Google.
accessible.
Oh
Like,
my god.
they're good
Really?
things, bro. And if you want to get deeper than that, you can. You can be one of you guys or this guy who's talking about flip flops and shit. Like
The problem is the railway problem, which I haven't explained to you.
oh, would you say the what problem?
The railway.
The railway
Railway
problem.
problem?
The idea that like you have like old Roman, you have old Roman roads, and on top of that you build your modern roads. And then you build a bridge, and then you build a railway bridge above that, right? And they're all leaning on one another. And the railway bridge is obviously the most complex. A road's just a road, and a railway bridge is built for a train. But as you go and you build more things on top of that bridge, you build more things, the things on top start to weaken. Right, you don't have those Roman roads, right? They're awesome, right? Very sturdy base, but you're not building the railway on the Roman roads. No, you're building it on top of the freeway, on top of the whatever, on top of the whatever.
I still don't understand the problem. Yeah.
Okay, well, but yeah, there's layers. So Python.
Yeah,
is,
that's like a given. There's layers. I didn't hear the problem. You said a
Well, the
railway
problem
problem.
Problem
he's
is
claiming-
they start to fall over when you build on top of the railway bridge, and then build a skyscraper on top of whatever you build
Okay,
on the
okay,
railway
but
bridge.
right
What you
now
do is
we're-
have people that understand the middle and the under layers.
Okay, we're just
and
stu-
then you'll be
we're-
fine.
we just
That
want to.
it's fundamentally unfeasible to continue building off of these middle
Okay, but-
layers.
You actually don't know what the fuck you're talking
Right.
about, and it's very
I
obvious.
do. This is something I got like in my first year. I attended a lecture and I like heard about
Really?
it. Kind of
Well,
related to
you
a
should,
lecture, I
you
mean,
should
that's all
fucking
the
go
issue,
back
right?
to that lecture and reread the notes of the video or whatever. Because,
Okay.
yikes,
so-
bro.
Right.
Everything is built on
Like, how did
something
he-
else.
yeah.
And your argument is dumb as fuck. Like, oh, no, we built it on top of a Roman road and then a highway and then
Okay,
a route. Like,
Okay. Listen, everybody.
what's the problem with that?
Let's de-escalate.
all I heard
Again,
was
de-escalate.
built.
Let's
down to
de-escalate
binary.
what the conversation we're talking about stuff.
Okay,
Come on.
let's
Does it sound like I'm
de-escalate.
yelling at people because I might chill myself out?
Yeah. Let's de-escalate. Let's concentrate on our current job. Our current job is to understand what
That's
Yeah,
your
I'm
current
trying to come up with a solution to your problem. If you type TF instead of TensorFlow, see if that solves the issue.
Okay. All right. 1 second. Let's try this. Oh wait.
Oh, that must have been something you were talking about before. I thought that was just like a joke.
He's got some shit
No,
pulled
no.
up.
I was like, I'm just
Fucking-
laughing for no reason. I don't even understand the joke. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
it's obviously
But it says
something
squiggly
I don't
lines.
know.
Oh, you're saying
Yeah.
STF. I see. So it's a mistake with.
Yeah, maybe that will solve it. I don't know, but
No,
We'll
it's
see.
not going away.
I don't think that's gonna
No,
solve.
no.
Sorry.
No.
okay.
What's your issue?
Dude, run
I'm not
it
saying you
well.
have a
It's like
solution.
that, bro.
Now it's not even.
Now that made it worse.
Yeah.
Import TensorFlow as TF. You have to add.
Really
Oh, this guy
weird.
not know how to the Linux command line shit.
What do you mean
I
Linux
guess
command
TensorFlow-
line? There's no
I don't-
Linux here.
He's in
Oh.
some weird ass fucking compiler I've
What do you
never
mean? This
heard
is
of.
this is Google
Google.
Colab. This is a notebook. This
Yeah,
is
yeah,
like,
I've never heard of this shit, bro.
Do you know
What shit is
Jupyter?
that?
Do you know Jupyter Notebook?
Bro, I was in a channel. You guys want to hear? I was in a channel like maybe a month ago, and I ran across this dude. And he claimed that he writes programming languages and shit. And I was like, what? You write
Cool,
programming?
cool.
Like he creates new programming. I'm like, I'm sure you
Yeah,
know
what you call it does that on Twitch. Zodian, the Russian
It's
guy.
fucking useless.
Dude, I was
It's
like, I'm sure
useless,
you do,
like-
but nobody uses that shit. Also,
Yeah.
why are you doing that? If you know that much, you should be doing something more productive. Like,
That's stylistic at best. Like, there's no way that whoever this person is, they're like creating languages that actually have.
I
like,
can't even remember his name, but yeah, like a month ago. Oh, you know what? What the fuck did he tell me? He used a word, and I was like, "Did you mean lexicon?" He was like, "No," and then he sent me the meme. It's like some
Oh,
like
hi.
super low level shit that has to do with like how languages work. I was like, "Oh shit."
Like a
Wait,
parrot
Maybe he
or
does
some
create
shit.
language.
Wait, is it entropy? High entropy?
Dude, I don't remember this guy's name at all.
Entropy?
Nah,
What about
it wasn't even in here, I don't think.
Wait.
No, entropy's a fucking a nig.
Okay. because I know a different
Yeah.
entropy, I guess. All right.
Oh,
Okay,
I thought you were talking to me. No,
let's
I don't know.
concentrate. Okay, let's concentrate.
Also,
Okay.
I appreciate calling him a nig. That's
Okay.
stupid.
Import
You
necessary
don't appreciate that?
libraries.
Yeah, I don't
Import-
appreciate it, bitch.
Guys,
Kyle.
could you stop, please? Stop wasting time. Okay.
Yo, if you blow your nose,
Tell
Okay.
DeepSeek that you're using Google Colab, and that's
okay.
where you get the yellow squiggly line under TensorFlow dot
Wait, are you guys
Keras.models.
watching this stream? Am I missing something here?
It is literally
it's all on the
working.
stream.
Yeah.
It's literally working. You're just not
you're
going to be
testing
able
this
to.
seek shit out. Yeah.
Verify TensorFlow installation in Colab. Yeah, we. Okay, let's.
What are you trying to do though? Ultimately.
No, we're just trying
AI.
intro to AI.
He really doesn't like that there's a yellow squiggly under his fucking. Like,
218.
Squiggly under what?
Oh, it's 212. Oh, so I'm getting 218.
Man, see, this is part of the problem
The
with
output 218
AI. And people think they could just type whatever into the AI and get code out and not understand it.
that's
Also,
exactly what you can do, and it'll work.
In your Google Colab.
If you know what the fuck you're doing, it's a tool. If you don't know what you're doing, you're just gonna put a bunch of bullshit together.
I don't think
It
it's
will
gonna
work eventually.
What is devs except people who put a bunch of bullshit together?
Yeah, but at least they understand the
True.
bullshit.
Okay.
You
Until
delete a
they
picture
don't
of like
see it for 2
porn
weeks
in
and
the
then they have
fucking
to remember what the
game
fuck
file,
they
the game
Right.
process.
Okay.
Like-
So
It's
TensorFlow
so
is
annoying that I
not.
can hear myself in this
Yeah,
video.
I'm sorry. I don't know how to
Yeah,
avoid
this
it.
stream.
Okay.
I have it always muted. You avoid it by fucking muting your
Yeah,
screen.
I'm gonna mute his stream. Yeah, you're
How
right.
do you mute? Oh, you can mute the stream? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just mute your stream now. I don't hear myself.
That's
Cool.
genius. This is next level.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
I
high level.
actually was doing the exact opposite. I instead muted
And
all
it's
of
actually
you. I can hear your audio on the stream.
it's a gift in disguise because sometimes he plays these shitty like comedy movie clips and they're like fucking terrible. You don't have to actually hear them. You pretend you're listening to them while he's
What?
watching. He's asking you questions about the thing he's watching. You just yep.
Talking about, I wouldn't even watch the stream if it's like a video
Okay,
thing
okay,
and I don't want to watch it.
All right. Anyway, so great. The output. Okay, whatever. So it's ignoring.
What are you trying to do, bro?
Wait, Colab
Like-
is asking you. Yeah. Allow.
What's he trying to create?
Allow.
Anybody?
A neural network code. That's what I'm reading from the GPT query.
Yeah.
I didn't read the
I
query.
wrote
Let me
intro
read this
to-
bullshit.
intro
A bunch
to
of intro,
AI.
train the model, make a prediction. Oh, okay, I see.
Okay. So this version
I'm
is
good on
recent
this. Watch the YouTube video.
and fully compatible with the code I provided earlier. Let's recap. Okay. Step 1, run the neural network. Wait, who's with us? Oh my god, there's so many people.
Yeah, but
There's
nobody
only
watched.
people on here.
Okay.
Yeah, I opted
No.
out. Like, yeah, I already seen this on YouTube videos. Yeah.
Okay, so let's continue reading what okay, so
Oh,
this is
okay.
here's the full code again,
Yeah,
which is
braces
compatible
on.
to 18.
I sound like a dickhead. I'm gonna jump around. You guys have a good night.
All right, thank you. Okay, when you run the code in Google Colab, you should see output similar to this. Predicted value for input 6 is 5, whatever, 0.4, whatever.
Or day. It's the middle of the day. Have a good day.
Good day, sir. Verify TensorFlow version. Since you are using TensorFlow 218, you can confirm it by running. I don't care. We tested it. Okay. Step 4, GPU, TPU support optional. If you want to leverage Google Colab's free GPU, TPU for faster training, not so critical. I don't care so much. By the way,
What are you even
it says it right there.
training it to do? It's just returning like a predicted input value. What is it?
right. Okay, let's get into the code.
Right.
Let's understand the code.
Yeah, but the next line there explains that you should just ignore that squiggly line. It's a false thing. If you want to read that.
Wait,
read
here, the warning, this guy?
Yeah, the one in the
TensorFlow.
one with the squiggly line.
6 out of the last 6 calls to function, TensorFlow, trainer, make predict function, blah, 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 triggered function. I can't read the rest.
You have to scroll across.
Tracing is expensive, and the excessive number of tracings could be due to one creating TF function repeatedly in a loop, passing tensor. What is it? This has to do with the warning? I don't think so. No.
It probably is not the greatest code.
No.
What is the actual full code? So you got 2 arrays.
Yeah, this is the whole code. There's nothing else.
That's it at the bottom there. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's understand the code. Sample data. X represents the input feature, hours studied, and Y represents the target variable exam score. Okay, so we're feeding it data. This is our data. So X equals
Oh, okay.
NP
Yeah,
array.
I read.
So 1, 2, 3,
So
4,
it's shit, though.
5. What?
Predicted value for input 6 is fucking 5.11 when it's obvious. Oh wait, shit. No, sorry. The Y array isn't sequentially related.
Okay, but let's read it. So you have an array. This is the input data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the target, and then the target variable, the exam score. I guess this is the training output. So for this input, we want to train it on this output. And the output is 1, 3, 2, 3, 5. These are the scores. So for exam 1, for studying 1 hour, we got a score of 1. Studying 2 hours, 3. 3 hours, 2.
Yeah.
4 hours, 3. And 5 hours, 5. Okay. Create a simple neural network model. Model equals sequential. Sequential model. Model add input. So input is a lot. I don't know what it is. Maybe a class. I guess a class. Shape equals 1 implicit input layer.
It's explicit, not implicit.
Explicit input layer. Okay, so this is the input layer. And I guess dense is the output layer. 1 output. It's not really explaining. Okay, but we can ask Gemini to explain this to us.
Well, we don't have to ask Gemini. Just look at what shape as part of that.
That's all it says.
There's
Input.
no like documentation. What the fuck? Is shape is okay? It's an argument. So fucking
A
stupid.
Keras tensor.
I don't know this language. I fucking hate this language. Why do you have to fucking ascribe a value? You have to.
But it's
You
not
have to literally set a value.
It's not. What do you mean you hate the language? I mean, it's
But
building.
why would you ever have to do shape equals? It should just be the first argument is just one argument in brackets with any like a delimiter delimiting the arguments. Like, why do you have to fucking call the name of the argument and what it equals? Stupid.
Right. The first parameter shape equals none. That's the default. But you want shape to be 1.
Shape is 1 right now. 1 nothing. I don't know why it has a delimiter, but
I don't know
1 null. I don't know.
I don't know why there is a shape. I mean, the input should just be a layer, right? He said.
Yeah, but it needs an argument. It needs an argument of this shape. So yeah.
I mean, there's no size. It doesn't know the size of the input layer yet. We didn't. I guess.
Well, shape doesn't mean like I don't think shape means that. What does shape mean? Hover over input. I can't read this before you. A shape tuple. Tuple are integers or non-objects.
A shape.
A tuple of integers.
I guess.
So it's
a shape tuple.
Fucking data.
Integer or
putting
non.
1 in there. You just put 1 in.
Okay, I don't know. I don't know what shape means. It's not clear. Okay, and then add dense. It says 1 output layer. And
Shape is a
units.
couple. It's just the fucking data. It's just one.
Where activation is. Who did we lose? Oh.
Everybody.
No, everybody's
Let's
okay.
read this.
Dr. Evil.
Hover over dense.
What?
Hover over dense.
Okay, dense. Okay, dense. Just your regular density connected neural network layer. Dense implements the operation output equals activation dot input kernel plus bias. Okay,
I hate this fucking language.
it's not a
Holy shit.
language. It's not a language. It's a neural network, right?
It's written in fucking.
It doesn't matter how it's implemented. It's built. It's implementing. No, no.
Yes.
No. You have to understand what is being built behind the scenes. It's building a neural network, which is a neural network is a network of neurons. A neuron, or it's also called a perceptron. A neuron has input. I don't know what kernel is. I don't know what dot is, plus bias. Anyway, when you train it, you're modifying the weights of the neuron, and that is that's how it's trained on the data. Right? Initially, the neurons have basically random weights. So it's like for any input, it just hallucinates outputs, meaningless outputs. Like you show it a dog.
Where are you storing? Where are you storing like the? Where are you
What?
storing? Where are you storing
The
the shit,
perceptron.
the data?
It's not. You're changing the weights of each neuron. A neuron has a weight, has multiple
Yeah,
weights.
but it does exist if it gets evoked in the beginning of your program. Where is it being stored?
I can't understand what you're saying. Why is your audio so terrible today?
It's literally not.
What are you saying?
I said,
Yeah.
where are the neurons being stored?
The neurons is right. So you have a model. It's a model of neurons, and then you add layers. So this is the input layer, which is connected to. It will be connected. I mean, you will feed in the input data. This is the input data. X is the what?
But the point is not to run it once, get an answer, and then call it a day and say it worked. The point is to run it over and over and over again until it gets closer to the right answer.
Right. So you give it the input X and the output Y. The way you do it is basically you feed X into the input layer. The input layer is connected to the output layer, many to many. So each neuron in the input layer is connected to all the neurons in the output layer. So you get a dense network, a dense net.
I'm not asking about that. I'm asking where you're storing the node. Where's the network?
Each wire, it's called, I think it's called a synapse or something, or dendrite. Anyway, so right, the input contains neurons. Each neuron is connected to each neuron in the dense. This connection has a weight that can be modified. It can be trained on the data. That's the philosophy. That's how the brain works.
Bro, you have still not answered. Yes, and the brain is a big fucking physical storage. It's literally a big physical storage mechanism.
Yeah.
So where are the neurons being stored?
In the model. The model.
The model? You're fucking retarded.
Why?
In the model.
Why? What's the problem? The model is an object
It's
of,
stored on your PC somewhere. I'm asking you if you have to create some sort of database,
N-
or if it's creating and storing the file for you somewhere.
no, there's no file. It runs it when it finishes running.
You can't possibly save the weight of a node so that it remembers that that weight should be this weight and then change it if you can't, if you instantiate the node every time you fucking run the program.
Every time you run the program, obviously you instantiate a new model, a new network from scratch. Every
That's
time.
terrible. How is it learning then? It's not. Once it ends, once it closes, it learns nothing. It's not.
So in
It's
that,
not learning.
so you would have to build a program, that loops and stays in the memory and waits for input, and every time you give it input it gives you output.
It doesn't even need to loop. It just needs to allocate permanent memory somehow by putting it in a data structure somewhere.
Fine, but ultimately every program, if it doesn't loop somehow, then it ends. Anyway, so chat.
Well, yeah, even if it ends,
Mhm.
if it's pointing to the same data and you run it again,
Mm-hmm.
right, it will remember the weight of the nodes that it was previously. And with the new iteration,
Mm-hmm.
it will rearrange the weights and give you a different answer. And then hypothetically, the more you run this program,
Mm-hmm.
the more it knows, and it should get closer and closer to the right answer. Which, considering most of the other answers are integers, like full like whole natural numbers, the
No.
answer is probably going to be a whole natural number. That's just my 2 cents.
Okay, do you have a question? Do you understand the code up until this point? Do you understand the model, the input, the output? Do you understand do you have any question? Do you want to say something? Are you happy, sad?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, you're the only one.
I just wanted to know how it was learning, and the answer was it's not.
Of course, what do you mean how it's learning? And the answer is it's not. It's going to learn
Yeah.
once once you give it X here, I think fit, this is how you train the model. This is when it's going to learn. Train
The
for
data set's only 5, 6 variables. Here, guys, different integer.
yeah. I don't remember.
5, sorry.
I don't remember what an epoch is. X and Y. So X is the input data. How am I supposed to scroll through this? If I move, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are all the possibilities for X. Sorry for scrolling. Okay, Y is target data. This is the output that you're training it on. So for every data set, for every X, you're giving it a Y. In our case, there's only one X and one Y. So there's very little training we're doing. No, I mean X.
There's no training we're doing.
No. So X, you're training it. This is the input data. So you're giving it one as the input and one as the output. That's a training set. That's one exercise that you can do with the network. Another exercise is you tell it for the input 2 we got output 3, and so on. And for input 3 we got an output 2. You're training it, you're feeding it the input and the output, and so it tries to guess.
Man, I don't know how anybody flexes they do this shit. This is like the easiest, most like script hideous shit I've ever seen.
I can't understand what
Like,
you're saying.
no,
What's
no offense to you, but I've talked to people who think they're top shit, top dog.
I don't
They
know what
made
you're saying.
some, I don't know.
I don't know what you're saying. You're muffled.
Oh,
It was
I'm
never.
literally not. I'm literally just gonna like blow up like a nuclear bomb.
Are you using like AirPods?
I'm using my Bose wireless headphones,
Mm,
sponsored
okay.
by Bose.
Do you have a separate mic that reaches your mouth, or is your mic?
No, of course not.
I don't know what you're saying. I swear to God. You can listen here. I'll let you listen to what you're saying. You'll see that you're impossible to understand.
I can't hear your stream anymore for some reason. I think it's because I'm on mobile.
Oh, what's going on with this?
Right, you don't have. That was Roman.
Let me go all the way to the. This is weird. Okay, let me refresh this guy. You can't hear. Let me go all the way to the. This is weird. Okay, let me.
No, I can't hear the stream.
Okay. You can't hear. Let me go all the way to the. Okay. This is weird.
I don't know why. I don't know how I unmute it. But
Oh, you can't hear because you cannot unmute. Okay, it doesn't matter. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, I can. I have to guess what you're saying. Unfortunately, look. You have to understand basic brain basic brain theory and how it's implemented in AI, which is very basic.
no, you don't, bro. This isn't even brain theory, bro.
Okay, whatever. Okay, you have to understand the theory, whatever you call whatever the theory is. You have to understand it because there's theory behind this little code. There is a little bit of theory behind it, not the end of the world theory, but there's a little bit. That little bit you're missing. You cannot. You don't have it.
You're not even touching it, though. You're not touching the theory.
I just
I would
okay.
argue, like, you should probably, like, I don't know, ask GPT to make you more complex.
More
You just,
complex.
I don't know.
We have
You
to.
literally,
I-
literally, like, importing a package and literally just, like, manipulating a pre-programmed package.
Yeah, but I
Literally.
mean, you're just using classes. There is a sequential class, which is the model. You're adding. I guess your add means you add a layer. Adds a layer instance on top of the layer stack. So a sequential object can contain layers. You're adding layers. I guess the input only has one neuron and the output only has one neuron. I don't know how that would work. I don't know. I don't know what this create a simple neural network model, but what is the size? This is why I told you we need Gemini to explain this to us. Where's Gemini? Enter. Please explain this code. Okay.
I'm gonna go outside and have before I have
What?
to go.
What?
I'm gonna go outside and smoke before I have to go.
Okay. Hello, Brute Force.
Bruta, Bruta, Barbie.
How are you, Brute?
Describe our skiing.
I'm doing well. How are you?
Fantastic. Hates Jews, likes Hitler, on 50 milligram Adderall, speaks fast 3x. Are you on Adderall today?
I just popped it like 10 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. So it's in me right now, but it's getting activated.
Why do you take Adderall?
You just do it for basic health reasons.
What is
You are not getting healthier. Adderall, broski.
What does Adderall do? Like what?
Adderall puts autistic kids on demon time and ADHD kids on demon time. Like, literally not even.
Gives you like energy, basic brain function, speaking skills, everything else.
Yeah, it makes you not able to eat.
No, I eat.
You lose your appetite.
Wait,
You
Brute. Okay,
become
Brute.
skinnier.
Okay, Brute. How old are you? I never asked you.
I'm not answering that. You don't answer any of my questions.
Okay. Do you know AI? Are you familiar with AI?
Yeah.
So can you help us?
What's what?
Look at my stream. Do you know how to write? Do you know Python? Do you know how to write code?
A little bit, yeah.
So can you understand this code and explain it?
I can.
You can or cannot?
I'm not working for free, buddy.
Uh,
I get paid. I get paid to do that.
means. He knows what the code means. He's not
I
hiring
get
me
paid
to
to do that,
work.
by the way, buddy.
okay.
That code is pretty shit too. I feel like the AI could make that code.
Okay. So can you? Yeah, go
And
on.
AI did make that code.
I know it. See,
Okay,
what did I
let's.
say?
Okay. Let's read what it says. Okay. I guess this is not so critical.
Mr. Slave. How about more like Mr. Jew? I'm sorry, I did. So what were you saying about the code?
Can you explain it? Like this line, or even this line. But I guess what is the shape of this neural network? Maybe I can. Like how many neurons are in each layer? I don't even know that.
What are you trying to do with this code, though?
How
Make
many?
AI?
No, I'm just trying to learn like a basic AI. How many neurons are in each layer?
What do you? I see. 'Cause I always see your bio says I always wipe the floor and debates. What do you debate? Like, what are you good in? Because when every time I debate you, I destroy you. So like, are you like a low level? Or I'm like I'm that high tier. I think I am high tier, but I feel like you're low level. You know.
You're low tier, bro.
I don't try to win. I actually try to convert the other side. Sometimes
That is winning. That is
no,
winning.
not really.
Yes.
Not really.
That's the whole point of a debate.
Not
If I'm
really.
There's no
arguing
debate,
with
man, if they
you,
agree with you, buddy. There's no debate
they're
if they
not
agree with you.
good, and then we're arguing, and you come around to saying, "Yeah, Nazis are good," then I have convinced you that Nazism is good, and therefore I win.
So that's what you might think maybe when you're very young. But as you grow older, you realize that people don't actually believe. Oh, he's gone. People don't actually
People don't actually believe what.
people don't actually believe, period. What people say is, it's the same as what they do. Like, you don't believe that having sex is good. You just like having sex. And you don't believe that vanilla ice cream is delicious. Vanilla ice cream is delicious. So there's no reason behind what you say. What you say is what will give you
There is reason. That's how you win the debate. You show through reason that your position is more reasonable than their position.
But what is reason?
It depends.
Mm-hmm. Go on.
In fact, I'm walking.
What?
I'm walking in my apartment here.
Oh my
There's
god.
people there. Depends.
I don't know what you're saying.
It could be hard. It could be hard, like deductive logic, or it could be
What is logic?
appeal.
What?
It could be hard deductive logic. It could be an emotional appeal.
What is logic? What is this thing called logic?
Logic is when is when a right-hand side equals left-hand side.
Okay. So at the end of the day, your brain is a neural network. If like your brain is right, the AI neural network is modeled after the brain's neural networks. So all that your brain
It's modeled
is
after the concept of a neuron. It's not modeled after the brain.
okay. Whatever. Your brain, but your brain is a network of neurons, and these neurons have connections between each other, and these connections have weights. They can be thicker or thinner. They can have more synapses or less, and such. And these weights can change. And when you train the brain, you change the weights. That's it. That's
That doesn't. It's not exactly what's going on with humans, though.
okay. Something like that is going on.
I said I clicked the fucking.
I don't know what you're saying. Hello,
I
Joe.
clicked the. I clicked the camera on.
The camera? I don't see you.
Yeah, it was staring up at my ceiling. I didn't realize I did it.
I didn't see your camera. I don't think you had your camera
It
on.
was on. I
I
can
didn't.
guarantee you it was on. It was
Okay.
on, and I was looking at the red ceiling because my
Oh,
lights are red.
okay. Hello, Kings of Kings. Anyway, so in the brain, there is no logic. In the brain, there's just neurons firing, and they're connected. And these connections change their weights as the brain learns and is trained.
When you're convinced of something, you're not learning, though. We're talking about learning, like the function of quote unquote learning in physical neurons. We're not talking like what we should be talking about. We're talking about logic and reason.
Okay, so
Is past like the developmental stage of the brain and into the actual responding to like stimuli.
okay, so when you are trained to believe that 1 + 1 is 2, or what is the number one, when you are convinced, when you are trained that the word one and right has its meaning, something in your brain changes, right? You you still maybe
No.
remember that day. No, you don't. You don't remember the day you were trained what the meaning of one is. But that's how you learn. When you learn, it's just weights of the synapses of the connections that change. That's it. As far as we know, there's
We're
nothing.
not talking about learning. We're not talking about development. We're talking past that point where the brain is no longer like shifting,
So
and it's fully developed.
So-
We're talking about adults.
so what's the answer?
Because children are constantly
so-
convinced of stupid shit all the time.
So how does it work? So right now, if you
How does convincing somebody of something work?
when you become convinced of something, what changes in the
I
brain?
said the right combination of things.
But
to
what
please
changes?
you.
What explain the mechanics in the brain? What changes in the brain when you become convinced of something?
You can't. This is why the machine learning and neural networks on a computer aren't a representation of the brain, because can you even begin to fathom what happens when you reason? No.
Well, that's my job. I'm a brain theoretician, so yes, I know exactly how it
A
works.
brain theoretician. Yeah, retard. Shut up.
Okay, I don't know what you want from my life. So there's no logic in the brain. The brain doesn't know what logic is.
The brain doesn't know what bread is.
Exactly. The brain is just neurons connected and firing. That's it.
Yeah, does that all of a sudden mean that bread and the way that it perceives to me that it I see it and whatever. Does that mean that it really isn't there? That we're not like operating on the function that the bread isn't there because my brain doesn't know what bread is. I'm using like interpretive learning to know what bread is or whatever.
Okay, can you
Uh,
explain?
then
Can you explain to me how the brain works? Yes or no?
I told you nobody can like fully explain.
Okay, fine. So you cannot. All right. So
Mm-hmm.
so you don't know, right? As far as you don't know if there is logic in the brain or there isn't. You don't know, right? You agree?
There is like choosing specific like pathways, I guess.
Explain to me how the choosing happens in the mechanics of the neurons of firing. Explain.
I don't know if you're smart and you've got the actual right idea lining up with the reality.
I don't know what that means.
Then
Can you
whatever pathway.
spell stuff? Can you or can you not explain how the brain works?
Bro, how many times do I have to give the same canned answer to the same canned question?
Okay, can you explain to me where is the logic unit in the brain? Where is it? How does the
Where is the
brain?
logic? Where's the bread unit in the brain?
I can explain, but I'm asking for you to explain. I'm trying to explain it to you, and
Where's the bread unit? The reason I'm asking you where the bread unit is because, as I brought up before, bread, right, and how it doesn't like exist to the brain as a concept fully fleshed out until you know you look at the bread and you feel the bread and then there's bread in front of you. Brain does know, you just stimuli, whatever.
okay. Look, I don't
What's the
wanna.
bread center?
Okay.
What's the bread center makes
Okay,
you bread.
okay. Look, I don't know what to tell you. So there is no logic. There,
Yes, same as there's no bread center.
yes, exactly. Yes. So when you
Does bread not exist?
let's look. Okay, the what we're discussing
No,
right.
Mr. Slave.
Oh,
Mr. Slave, before you ask me another question, does bread not exist?
okay. Falstaff, stop. Okay, I don't know what to tell
You
you.
know where I'm going with this. There's no bread center of the brain. Does bread not exist?
Oh my God! I'm gonna Falstaff. You win all the debates against me.
I
You're
do.
smarter. You are by far more brilliant than I will ever hope to be in a million trillion lifetimes.
I'd be flattered, but it's just your duty to tell me this.
I know. I've been predetermined by the universe to prostrate in front of you. You are the god of all gods, of all geniuses. You are no one comes a far second to you when it comes to super duper extra genius. All right, and on that note, let's kill ourselves. All right, let me read what
I've got to go now.
all right, man. See you later.
You'll be alone. You have to watch neural network videos on your own.
I don't know what you're saying.
I said you'll be alone. You'll have to watch neural network videos on your own.
Yes, I'm gonna talk to DeepSeek to explain to me this code. Yes, thank you.
When did you switch to DeepSeek? Like yesterday?
Yeah, because everything else costs money.
No, GPT doesn't cost any money.
Chat
You
GPT,
probably pull that
it's
same
limited.
code out of GPT.
There's a limit. After a couple of prompts, it says that's it. You have to pay, and it's $20 a month. And I don't want to use my credit card in my anonymous, Windows Mr. Slave user. I don't want to have any personal details within this user. So I don't
No
want.
personal details.
Yeah, this user is undoxable as long as I don't use Chrome. If I use Chrome, Chrome immediately doxes me. Jesus, Brave
How
is
does Chrome dock you? Sucks, dude.
as soon as you open a new tab, it displays information about me. And I've tried everything to stop it. It's impossible. I mean, Brave used to dox me too, but at least it stopped. But I can't get Chrome to stop. Anyway, nevertheless, I'm gonna continue killing myself now.
Nice.
Yes, it's the best. Let me ask. Let me ask chat. Let me ask this guy. Can you explain the code? Can you? Okay. What is okay? What is the shape of the neural of the NN? What is the shape of the NN?
The NN.
Neural network.
It turns out I'm not running yet because
What? You don't have to
I'm
go?
supposed to get picked up by somebody.
Can you
No, I'm
fix?
supposed to get picked up by,
Can you fix your mic?
but they're not here.
Okay, I wish you could fix your mic. Usually I can understand what you're saying. Today I'm dying. Okay, number of layers, how many layers? Number of neurons in each layer. Activation function, the activation function, input and output shapes, the shape. Let's analyze the shape. Here is the code. Okay, shape of the neural network. Input layer, input shape, 1, comma. This means the network expects one input feature, hours studied. Okay, so it's one perceptron, one neuron. For example, if you pass X equals NP array 1, 2, 3, each input sample has a shape of 1, comma. Okay. Okay. So the input is
Of
a
1 comma?
yeah, I guess one array. This is like I guess it's saying one array. Like here's this is the shape of bracket 1 close bracket. The shape of this thing, I guess, is this thing or the opposite. I don't know. It's whatever. Okay. Well, I don't know Python well enough. Okay. Output layer, output shape. Oh, it's the same. Okay, this is the output shape is 1, comma. The output layer has 1 neuron, which means it predicts. So if you only have 1 neuron in the input and 1 neuron in the output, you only have 1 weight connecting them. How does that? How can that ever work? This doesn't make any sense. The output layer has 1 neuron. Anyway, isn't each neuron only on and off? How is it going to describe the ultimate output of 5.1 something? How is that going to work? Okay, we'll see. We shall see. Are you still there? Okay. Are you watching? Are you listening?
I'm still here. I was waiting outside. I was waiting outside in the cold, and then I walked back inside.
Okay.
I
Anyway,
don't know why they call it.
I can't hear what
I
you're
hate
saying.
fucking. I hate like.
Yeah.
Oh my fuck, dude!
Yeah. No,
I
no.
fucking hate you. That's what I hate.
No. Okay, now I'm able to
I
hear
hate
what you're
these fucking pre like.
You hate these
I hate these
fucking
fucking prepackaged like APIs or whatever the fuck you're using.
prepackaged
I hate
what?
it. Like, why shape?
Shape?
Why not? Like,
Oh.
I don't know, like max input or something.
Okay,
Like, why shape? Why
we're
fucking
we're reading the code. I don't know either. We're reading through the code. What do you this is it's a prepackaged. You want to write it by
That's
yourself?
what I mean. No, it's prepackaged, but they chose to label that argument as a shape.
Fine. We don't know yet. This is our first day. We don't know. Fine, whatever. By the way,
Yeah, shape fucking sucks. That's a sucky name.
by the way, ultimately this thing is fed into a GPU or a TPU. So you're never gonna get. Do you know what a GPU is? Do you like you're talking about performance that you can never get with anything. This is awesome. And TPU, I don't remember what a TPU is, but it's even T is tensor, so it's even better designed than a GPU. Anyway, a GPU is incredible. So at the end of the day, it's actually converted to the language program and to the whatever bytecode of the actual GPU that is being used. We don't even know which GPU is being used, if a GPU is being used. Anyway, so it doesn't matter that we're using Python because it's not running on a CPU. If you're going to write your own GPU code, good luck. Have a
It's
great.
not that hard, broski.
Have you tried writing code for
I've seen
GPU?
I've seen like the gate layout of a GPU before. I mean, it's like ginormous, and I don't want to get into it, but like,
Yeah, right, but you'd end up writing so much infrastructure code, so many libraries, which is fine if that's what you want to do with your life. I don't want to do infrastructure code right now. Right now, I just want to learn. I just want to implement my own brain theory into into this model. So I'm trying to learn the model. Anyway, the output layer has one neuron, which means it predicts one output value, exam score. But one neuron is either on or off, isn't it? For example, if you pass new x equals np array 6, the value 6, the output will be a single value like 5.4. I don't understand. What is the shape of the network? Number of layers. This network is 2 layers. Input layer defined implicitly by input shape 1, output layer a dense layer with 1 neuron. So it's 1 to 1, or maybe there's like 1 to 1, so there's only one
you only
connection.
have 2 neurons.
If there's only 2 neurons, they can only be connected with one synapse, one weight.
Yes.
So how can you train? It's untrainable. Number of neurons.
I told you this before. I mean, it's untrainable, one, because it de-instantiates itself at the end of its runtime.
No, that's
But
nothing to
two,
do with that. You're during the run. It lives in the memory. It takes the input, gets trained, gets the.
no, it doesn't live in the fucking memory.
Oh my god.
Get out of town. When you rerun this, you're not messing with the same neurons.
No, of course not. It lives in memory for the
That's-
duration of the run. Of course, it dies once the program is done. But as it lives in the memory, it gets trained and then it learns, and then you give it some new data and you get a new output. And that's
It needs to store those like the weights of the neurons, though. Like it doesn't just pass
that
to the
is
next runtime.
that is literally what sequential is. Sequential is an object that is a neural network. It is trained. You train the model.
Yeah, you do it in the runtime for
Yes.
100 cycles,
Whatever.
and then you kill it, and it
Yeah.
doesn't store its data,
Correct.
and it doesn't learn any further than 100 cycles, and
Whatever.
then you come back to it, and it's a new model
Yes.
that starts at 100 cycles again and gives
Yes.
you a random input. So unless you run this, say you have a loop that at least executes 3 times, so you have 300 cycles now. It'll just end and kill that network and all the learning that it did by the end of the runtime.
Yes, of course. I'm not disagreeing with you.
Fucking, why? It's not learning. It's like you're, I don't know. It's like you're
Wait, are you
you're
looking at the
making a little like
screen?
nano
Are you
node,
looking at? Are you
and
looking at?
then you tell it how to fly, and then you squish it at the end of like once it learns to fly.
Are you looking at the screen right now?
I'm looking. Wow.
Right, we have the word fit. Remember, we call the function fit model.fit, and it says train the model. That's it. After fit, it's been trained. And then you
Holy
give it
shit.
what?
Yeah.
What? Are you there?
I just I don't get there is no application for what you've done.
Here is the application. Make a prediction. You ask it to make a prediction.
Yeah, but it will make a fundamentally different prediction each time, and it won't get any closer to the truth.
I don't know. Okay. What do you mean truth? Oh my God.
Because there is a right answer.
What do you mean there is a right answer? What does that even mean? What do you mean there is a right
There's a right
answer?
answer.
Fine.
Okay, so you have 1 hour, 1 hour studied, 2 hours studied, 3 hours studied, 4 hours studied, 5 hours studied.
Yes.
Each of those corresponds to a pattern of effectiveness,
Exam
i.e.,
score.
exam score.
Yes.
Yes. Though that connection that they have is a mathematical one, whether you would like to believe it or not. It's
I don't-
not completely random.
I don't know. Okay, maybe I'm misunderstanding. I don't know what that means. Look, do you have any question about this code? Do you understand the
It means
code?
that if I add a 6, right? If I add a 6 to the time studied,
Yes.
that I can literally derive most likely a whole integer because in the exam scores table, because they are related fundamentally.
I don't know what you're saying. I swear to God, I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, listen, man. You have 1 hour that corresponds to one exam score. You have 2 hours
Wait,
that corresponds to three exam scores.
are you asking
You've
me?
got 3 hours that corresponds to 2 exam
Okay,
score.
okay.
You've got 4 hours that corresponds to 3 exam score. And then you have 5 hours, which corresponds to 5 exam score. They are related. They are not related.
Do you have a question
There
on this
is
program?
some
Do you
kind of
understand?
pattern to it
Do you understand
to
this
take out of
program?
that.
Do you have a question? Do you understand? Do you have a question? Are you? I don't know what you're saying.
No,
Do you understand
I'm
this?
criticizing
Do you
it.
understand this line? Do you know what's happening during this fit?
It's running it over and over and over again on the data set.
What's happening? What's happening to the model?
It's running it over and over and over on the data set.
But what's happening to the model? What's the difference in the model from before the call to fit and after? If we compare the model before and
It's
the model,
probably literally empty before.
what do you
Like
mean
it
empty? It's
it has nothing to work off of.
we added 2 layers. What do you mean it's empty?
Like while you've created, so to say, a neuron, it's empty. It hasn't like done anything. It doesn't.
I don't
It's
know.
looking at data, right? The input node is looking at data, and the output node is looking at data, but it doesn't mean anything to it.
What do you mean it
Like
doesn't?
it's literally
What
sitting there
if
uninitialized.
okay, what does the model look like before and what does it look like after? What's the difference?
It'll look quote unquote the same, but there'll be weight changing between.
Okay. Fine. And then
Yeah.
you
So
ask it,
why when I say it's basically nothing, I mean the neurons quote unquote being attached by the synapse. The synapse is either one or unchanged or nothing.
I don't know what that means.
It means it literally is like whatever the default state is.
I don't, look, I asked you to explain to me the model before versus after. You
Before
said
model fit, whatever the fucking default state is.
right.
Whatever like one neuron with the time studied and one neuron with the exam scores, there's something connecting them. The value of it is defaulted because you don't have anything to work off of.
Okay, so what's the difference? What is the difference? What changes during the training, during the fit? What changes?
Number, okay, let's say it's 1 for the synapse before dot fit, and then let's say it's 5 for the synapse after. Hypothetically.
Why are you why are you acting like this? What's going on?
Because I don't know, you're frustrating.
Why am I okay, I don't
I
mean
feel like I cannot explain in plain language, like,
what?
enough for you to understand. Anyway, I do gotta go now.
All right.
Go. I'm leaving.
All right, bye.
I gotta lock my apartment.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do this neural network coding. But yeah,
All
it'd
right.
be based in red pill.
All right. Thank you. Wow. Jesus. Jesus Christ. I didn't know it's so difficult to talk to people about code. I thought like talking about veganism gets people upset, but you just talk to them about the meaning of code and they get upset. Jesus Christ, that was so painful. Wow. What a terrible experience. I thought sitting alone and studying this is going to be boring. I did not expect to study together with people and experience such pain. I'm not letting anyone in. Forget it. Let's ask the face of evil to come back. Is he coming back? Why is he not showing up in the list? Really weird. I'm not letting anyone. He's the nicest one to study with, and wow, Falstaff. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Wow. Did not expect that to be so painful. This senator is saying oh. Hey, what's up? Don't leave me alone ever again. I'm not letting anyone in. Anyone who comes in, I'm gonna mute them. No one gets to talk.
Why?
Because it was such a painful experience, like nothing but you're talking to people about AI, and people are getting so vile and volatile and obnoxious.
What was he saying?
I was just trying to ask him if he understands this code, and I couldn't get through. I mean, it took me all this time. How long have I been here? An hour and a half it took me to get him to admit that the model is trained. He wouldn't admit it. He's like, I don't know what he was thinking. I don't know. It was
Yeah,
like
he had some other issue with the input.
he had
So
issues.
it's like an input function, and
He
it was like,
has
what are you crying about?
he was crying about everything. Like I was trying to and I'm trying to understand the shape of the neural network, and he's
He was whinging about Python. He was whinging about the
yeah,
input
about
and the
everything.
shape. Like,
Were you watching
crazy.
the stream?
No, that was before I left. He was complaining about that.
Yeah, he's terrible. I didn't know he's so bad.
Me neither.
Okay, so I asked DeepSeek, what is the shape of this neural network? So DeepSeek says the output is one neuron, but the input seems to be also one neuron. One input feature. Like how many neurons are in the input layer? Input shape is 1, comma. Output is also 1, comma. But it says that it's one neuron. So how many neurons are in the input? One input.
What?
What?
Um, I don't know. I guess just ask it how many neurons are in the input.
I mean, I didn't finish reading.
Oh.
The network has one neuron in the output layer. Activation function, visual representation of the neural network. This is so weird. Input layer 1 neuron connected to output layer 1 neuron. So there's only one synapse connecting them. So there's only one parameter. The number of parameters in neural net is determined by weights and biases of each layer. So for this network, weights, each input feature is connected to the output neuron with a weight. Since there is one input feature and one output, there is one weight. So there's just one weight? Each neuron in the output layer has a bias term. Since there is one output neuron, there is one bias. Total parameters, one weight plus one bias equals 2. Okay. Okay. You can verify this by calling model summary. Oh. When now I can call summary right now? I doubt it. No, there's.
And put it at the end of your code. At the end of the bottom of your code, you can
I'm
put it.
just gonna add this and run it. Oh. The parameter 2. Okay, the output is 1. The input. Wait, this is not input. This is output shape, layer. Total params 4. How do you get to 4? Trainable params 2. Non-trainable 0. Optimizer params 2.
What is sequential 5? What is that? Did you name that or?
Sequential 5, I didn't name it. I guess that's the name of the object. It gave it a name.
Oh, okay, right, okay.
Maybe it's version 5. Who knows? Loading. I don't know why it's 5. Oh, I'm so confused. There's such a steep learning curve. Jesus.
Well, I mean, well, I guess you got to start at the beginning with all the definitions of all the words, right? And all the functions.
I asked it for the most fundamental of the fundamentals, like the most basic.
Okay, well, you're going to need to review the individual terms. Well, let's continue on anyway.
Yeah. Adding a hidden layer. Wait, there is a hidden layer? If you add a hidden layer to the network, the shape changes, for example. Okay, but we're not adding a hidden layer. Okay, so it says that there's 2 parameters. Visual representation input, number of parameters, the number of parameters, okay, biases, okay, summary, okay, adding a hidden, but we didn't add, there is no, right, there's add, and then
there's no hidden thing, it's just telling you about it.
So stochastic gradient descent optimizer, mean squared error. That's the loss function, I guess. Optimizer is SGD. What is SGD? I guess stochastic gradient descent. Okay. But what is compiling? Does it do something? I don't think it does anything. It just remembers these. Does compile the model? What happens when you compile the model? Does it just
Where does this say that?
What?
Where does this say compile the model?
There is a compile the model. Like
Oh, sorry, I couldn't read. I was zoomed in and I couldn't see that.
Okay. So the compiled step in a neural network is where you configure the model for training. It defines the optimizer, the loss function, metrics optional. Let's break down. Code recap. Compile the model compile, okay. Optimize. The optimizer is responsible for updating the model's weights to minimize the loss. In this case, you're using optimizer, stochastic gradient descent. SGD is one of the simplest and most widely used optimization algorithms. Oh, look, it uses different, yeah, it's based on partial differential, a partial differential. I guess this is a partial differential equation. So it updates the weight using the gradient. Yeah, we know this. Okay. The loss function. The loss function measures how well the model is performing. In this case, you're using loss mean squared error. Mean squared error MSE is commonly used for regression tasks predicting continuous values. It calculates the average square difference between the predicted value and the actual values. Okay, that's straightforward. Okay, but I'm trying to understand what happens during compile. When you call model compile, the following happens internally. Initialization of the optimizer, definition of the loss function, preparation for training. The model is configured to use the specified optimizer. Okay. Validation of the model. Okay. Example with metrics. Metrics. I don't mean absolute error. Why is compile necessary? The compile step. Okay. I mean, it's very wordy, but fine. Okay. And then fit. Okay. Okay. What are these epochs? Epochs equals 100. Like, I understand you give it. There's not a. Okay, I mean, how can you train this weird network? It's so weird. One input, one output. It's not a network. It's just.
Well, it's the minimal. It's
But
it's the minimal amount.
what are you training? You only have 2 parameters. That's it. So that's good enough.
Yeah, it's just giving you the next parameter. Yeah. Well, what's wrong with it?
It's so weird. I've never seen a network that only has one input neuron, one output neuron, no middle layer, whatever you call it. What do you call the middle layer?
The hidden layer?
Hidden layer. No hidden layer. Really weird. Okay, we'll live with it. Okay, what is this epochs? Train for 100 epochs. What does that mean? Okay.
It'll go over the data like 100 times.
All right. When you train a neural network for 100 epochs, it means the model will go through the entire training data set 100 times. During each epoch, the model processes the data, passes the input data through the network to make predictions. Calculate the loss, compares the predictions to the actual values using the loss function, updates the weights. Okay, it's straightforward. Updates the weights, adjusts the model's weights using the optimizer to minimize the loss. Let's break down what happens during training for 100 epochs in your code. What happened? Okay, it's already explained. Fine. So it runs through the data 100 times. That's amazing. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Okay. What else happens? And then you make a prediction. So you create an array of one value, and you tell the model predict based on this. The output, print predicted or f predicted value for input new x 0 0. What do you mean 0 0? New x is an array. Oh, it's a it's a it's a two-dimensional array. It's designed to be an image, basically. So 0 0, that's just the value 6. Predicted y 0 0, and then it says 5.11. By the way, if you run it again, do you get, let's remember, this is the value. Let's add a note. Run it again and compare. Do you think we'll get the same thing? No.
Probably not. Ritual stuff.
Why is it different this time? Right? So before it was 576 at the end. Oh, it's completely different. Why is it different? Where's the randomness coming from?
I don't know. I guess ask it why it gives a different answer each time.
What? Ask it because what?
Just ask the ChatGPT or ask DeepSeek why it gives a different value.
Why is it giving a different value each time I run it? The reason you're getting different values each time you run the code is due to the random initialization of the model's weights and the stochastic nature of the training process. Let's break this down. Random initialization of weights. When you create a neural network, the weights of the model are initialized randomly. For example, add dense units 1, input shape 1, okay. The weight and biases of the dense layer are initialized with small random values from a normal or uniform distribution. This random initialization ensures that the model starts from a different point in the parameter space each time you run the code. I wish I could see the exact network, what it looks like. I want to see it. I want to visualize it with my eyes. I want to see exactly what's taking place inside the neural network as it is being modified each time. For like every time it's modified.
Well, if you ask it to kind of find a animation of like a neural network like this.
I mean,
how it acts in real time.
Can you animate this?
I don't think it'll animate it for you.
So I can see how the weights are being modified during training. It's going to say no, don't have that capacity. Yes, we can animate the training process of the neural network to visualize how the weights are being updated during training. Is there anything it's going to ever say no to? So it's always going to say yes. Oh, it's going to write a Python script that's going to...
Yeah, it's going to show it in MATLAB or something. Yeah.
Okay. Let me add code. No, not there. If I tap it here, will it add? How do I tell it to add Okay, let's paste it. Run it.
What's going to happen now? Because this code is running in the terminal. Oh, there you go. Yeah, never mind.
Where's the animation? It's not animated.
Maybe the animation was so fast you couldn't see it.
There's nothing. It's just an image. It's a dead image. It created a dead image. Funk animation. Animation. Let's try it again. Maybe I can do something. There's nothing to do with it. It's dead. User warning. Do not
What?
pass. Okay, that's nothing to do with us. Let's try running it again. No. Oh, wait, maybe there's something. No. It's not. Display the animation. Plot show. Subplots. Plot. Seed for set random. Seed. This is again the input and the output. Sequential add. Where's the other layer? Like in the other code, there's two adds. One is the input and one is the output. But now there's only output. Where's the input? Initialize list to store weights and biases. I mean, it should show
Is that
up.
my microphone again?
Yeah, it's okay. It's no big deal.
I don't know what's causing it.
It doesn't matter. I'd rather have you with the noise than other people that are, I mean, killing me, just killing me. I mean, I was gonna have a stroke. It's so upsetting. Like you would think that when
Jeez.
you debate politics, you should get upset. No, when you talk to a person about literally code, they get upset. He was so upsetting to talk to. Unbelievable.
Yeah, I say just tell DeepSeek that it's not animated and it's not showing anything on the phone.
Can I just paste this?
I don't think it can analyze the image. Maybe it can. I don't know though. I didn't see.
It seems like you've shared a file named image.png with some text, so it cannot see. If the image contains data, grab that, you can describe them, and I can assist with analysis. So it's unable to see an image. However, as an AI, I cannot directly view or analyze image files. Okay. All right. It is. It is.
Just an empty.
I wouldn't. It's a white image with an X and Y axes, but nothing else. Blank graph with only X and Y. It seems like it is a placeholder, template plotting data. If you'd like, I can help you analyze the graph. Understanding, customizing the guy. No, it's useless. And again, there's only one layer. Why is there only one layer? This doesn't make any sense. And why is it going through? Oh, it's doing a loop. It's doing the fitness, the training by itself. Oh, it's calling fit only one epoch, one at a time. That's exactly what we need. Okay, but if you're working with the neural network example of we can plot the model's predictions over time. Here's how. I don't see how. Can I add code? No. Oh yeah, okay. Probably the same. What? What is this? Oh, these are the loops. So we're gonna get 100. Okay, at least this time it's actually doing something. Okay. Okay, it's gonna take a while. It's basically 100 seconds. Oh, there it is. Input X, output Y, actual data. So it's being trained on this actual data. What are these lines? What is this line? What is it plotting? Is this a straight, are these straight lines? I mean, ultimately, this is the best fit. And you can see that it's getting closer and closer and closer and closer. How does it know? What is it plotting? This is really interesting. What, are you there? Oh, you're muted.
Yeah, I'm still here. Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it
Okay.
did a good job.
Yeah, so here's the code. So there's no input layer. Train the model and collect predictions. Predictions, okay, empty. For epoch, range 100. Model fit, XY epoch 1. So it's giving it all the data. It's being trained on all the data once. Interesting. By the way, this is how humans learn. You don't learn, at least long term. You only learn when you dream.
Linear regression.
No. I mean, there's many neurons, so it's not linear. It's what do they call the shape? It's a multi-dimensional
Polygon.
no,
No.
something like that. What do you call the shape of the answer in the multi-dimensional space? Has a name.
Oh, I don't know what's up with my phone. Do you make that noise?
Yeah, it's called a manifold.
Usually when I change to another app.
It's called a manifold.
Oh, manifold.
So a manifold is the multi-dimensional version, oh my god, of this line. So the manifold is the prediction. So your brain, at the end of the day, your brain is a manifold. Everything you have learned thus far, your brain describes a manifold. That's your.
Vegan Gains is going to be live in 30 minutes.
So you watch Vegan Gains every day?
Well, not every day, but yeah, a lot of days. I
Really? Why?
have a look at his stream. Why not?
Fascinating. Anyway, I really appreciate that you're here with me, because otherwise this would be
No problem.
too boring. Look, so what I want to do So I'm a brain theoretician, as you well know. So I want to be able to implement my brain theory into this thing, but I cannot disclose my brain theory, obviously.
Yeah.
So it's going to be.
Well, just being able to display any brain theory would be a start.
I mean, I'm not talking about displaying. I mean, the way this AI works, the way. I mean, I'm assuming that internally to ChatGPT and DeepSeek internally, it's the same. It's the same concept, which is
That's
different.
chain of thought, whatever, yeah.
It's
Reinforced learning.
Right, but ultimately it's a neural network.
Yeah, I think it's called a transformer. It's the type of neural network is.
I don't think so. The transformer is already something that you do to the neural network. The neural network internally, what that looks like, I don't know. It's like this. It's just a bunch of inputs and outputs and hidden layers, and there's I don't know exactly what the neural network looks like. The transformer is not it uses neural networks. It builds on neural networks. And then you take the transformer, and on the transformer you build the LLM architecture.
Okay.
Which is another layer, but that's not what how the brain works. The brain is just a neural network. There's nothing else. There's no engineering involved in the brain. It's just a neural network.
Okay.
Which is simpler than the LLM. LLM is right, and that's why you need to train the LLM. That's why it's so difficult. So because I know brain theory, so I can possibly build a much better AI. So hopefully, anyway, so that's where I'm going with it. So I'm trying. Hello, Legaton. How are you? Anyway, so that's what I'm trying to do. So right now I'm just trying to really understand this code. Now I took a course was a while ago. I took a course in AI, and basically I had a good intuition for exactly what's going on. But this is a while ago. I guess you also took courses in AI.
I haven't. No, I'm not familiar with AI at all.
So how do you know AI? How do you know any theory? How do you know the theory of what's going on? Or you don't know?
No, I don't.
Oh, so you've never seen. You've never seen.
I've seen that linear. I've seen the linear regression. That's it.
Right, but this is just the simplest case of a manifold.
Yeah.
Right? You can imagine this, obviously. You can see it, you can visualize it, and you can go one dimension further. So you can do, I guess, one output for two inputs. And you can, if you use more, if you use a hidden layer, you can create a curve, I guess. And if you add dimensions, then instead of a line, you get a plane. And if you add neurons in the hidden layer, anyway, if you add neurons, you can create a curve, and you can change the number of dimensions in the input, and I guess the output as well. Anyway, so you can create a a manifold. A manifold, it's like a rubber sheet. It can bend, and it's two-dimensional. Do you understand? Let me show you a picture of a manifold.
Yeah.
Let me ask ChatGPT. Can you show me a picture of a manifold? Can you show me a picture of a manifold? It's gonna ask me in what dimensions. Unfortunately, cannot display or generate. MATLAB. Oh, Python. Okay. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, copy. Oh, I can do add code. That's good. Paste and run. Let me see. Ugh, that's terrible.
A Swiss roll manifold. That's crazy. Holy shit.
What's a Swiss roll?
It's a type of cake.
I don't know what it looks like, so it's useless for me.
Google Swiss roll cake. Google Swiss roll cake, and you'll see. It's delicious. I love Swiss roll. My favorite type of cake.
No way.
Yeah. See it there? It's delicious. So tasty.
Yeah. And it's probably
I want
healthy.
Swiss roll right now.
Look, it's probably healthy because there's plenty of milk. This is like cream and milk, and you can do it low sugar. You don't have to make it super sugary.
True.
Just very fat. And you can probably add protein powder and make it
Probably.
really protein based.
Protein Swiss roll cake? That's a crazy idea. I never thought of that.
We should, like, I was thinking to actually create like protein based like delicious desserts, like protein based ice cream. Imagine
yeah.
protein based ice cream. Like
Yeah.
You
like
can
whey ice cream, you know?
Yeah, I don't know why no one is doing it. It makes no sense. Like give your children
Yeah.
protein ice cream. It's so healthy. And protein whipped cream.
Yeah.
And you know, obviously protein shake is delicious. I used to make amazing, like if you have a blender and you add cream, like heavy cream, the protein shake becomes like literally whipped cream. It's so delicious.
Wow.
You can
That
die of deliciousness. Yeah. And then imagine you roll this whipped cream in this thing. Oh my god, it's so delicious. I don't know why no one does it. All right, I want. Can you make it? Can you make it into a 2D curved plane? Curved. Why is there no autocomplete in this thing?
I have no idea, dude. Also, it doesn't spell check for me either. Like ChatGPT doesn't.
I mean, Windows started lately. There is autocomplete, but only when I write, like in here. If I type here, it auto completes, but only here. Like, does it
Only in the browser?
Well, I'm still in the browser, but I'm also in the browser here, but it doesn't auto complete me here. Oh, it does. Okay, but what about inside DeepSeek? Oh, look, it's stuck. Auto. Oh, it is auto completing. Okay, maybe I'm typing too fast.
Oh, never mind.
Hello, Master Debater. What do you want to debate?
Is anyone here a Muslim?
What? Is anyone here a Muslim?
Yeah.
No. I mean, I'm pro-Muslim. I don't
Fuck you all.
What?
Fuck you all. I don't give a fuck if you're a pro-Muslim. Be a Muslim, not a pro-Muslim.
Wait. You're upset at me that I'm not a Muslim, even though I'm pro.
Because you're not a Muslim.
Okay, you're upset that I'm not a Muslim? Well, that's the way I was born. So, you know.
A kafir. You was born a disbeliever.
A kufr.
Yeah, you're a kafir.
A kafir? Not kufr?
Yeah.
Kafir?
Kuffar means disbelievers. Kafir means single disbeliever, you know?
Okay.
One disbeliever.
So I'm a kufr?
So you are a kafir.
I'm a kafir. Okay.
You are a kafir.
I'm a kafir. Okay.
Kafir.
Yeah. Okay. So are you really upset at me that I'm a kafir? I mean, I'm.
Of course.
Why?
Of course. I'm scared. I don't want you to go to hell, you know? I want you to come with me in the heaven.
Okay. Well, then why being mean? You can be nice, and maybe if you're nice.
No, I stopped being nice. خلاص.
Okay.
There's no like, benefits to being nice.
Okay. Halas. Halas, I know. Okay. Okay, that's good. So, are you an engineer?
How did you know?
I don't know. I'm assuming you are a Muslim. Muslims have a tendency to be engineers.
Yeah, I am.
Ni-
Actually.
Nice. What are you? Mechanical, electrical?
Fuck yes, mechanical. How did you know?
I
What the fuck?
I don't know. I'm guessing.
You know me, nigga. You know
I
me. You should be a
don't.
Muslim now.
I don't know you. How would I?
He's stalking you.
I'm
He's
not.
stalking. He's right outside your
Stop.
windows. He's in your
Do you
walls
want
right
me?
now.
Are you fucking gay?
No, I don't
Are
know
you a
you.
faggot?
I'm guessing. I'm guessing. What do you think? I'm just
What the
guessing.
fuck? Your guess is very right.
Because many Muslims are, engineers, and everybody today is either mechanical, electrical. What else can you be? Civil? Very few
No,
civil.
no. I am rare. Like
Okay, so
I am different than
did you
other people.
finish? Did you finish mechanical engineering? You finished your bachelor's?
No, I am failing right now.
You're
My bad.
failing. You're failing.
Yeah.
That's not good. What
Yeah,
year?
I'm getting fucked.
Okay, what year are you?
Third year, but I'm getting fucked. Like my hours, I didn't finish. I finished only 30 hours.
Okay, so you need to focus on your studies. You can't play around. You need to be
Yeah, of
focused.
course. But
Y-
fuck my I don't want this life. I don't want to be an engineer and work in a company
Okay.
for a
Okay.
fucking rich guy who doesn't know my name.
No, stop.
No, he sees me as a number. He sees me as a badge number.
Oh my
Fuck
God,
him.
you're
Fuck the billionaires.
no,
We should kill all of them.
no. Look, you've been infected by the communist.
No, I'm not a communist. Fuck communism. I'm joking.
Oh, okay.
But really, I don't want to work I want to work like by myself, you know? That's what I want to do. I want to be the billionaire.
Look.
Or, wait. Or,
Yeah.
I don't want to be the billionaire. I want to be a soldier.
A what? Soldier?
A soldier. Yeah, in the military.
You can go be a soldier. Are you an American? Where do you live?
I'm in Saudi.
Saudi. You can join the Saudi military, no?
Yeah, I can, but you know,
So good. Join.
it's difficult a little bit. I want to be. I don't want to be like a normal soldier. I want to be an officer.
Good. You have a degree. Finish your degree. Join the military. They'll make you an officer. You'll do well. It's a good career.
Yeah, but the thing is that I am paying for my university right now, so it's
Okay.
stupid for me
Mm-hmm.
to pay for my university then join the military because I can join the military in the first without paying anything.
Okay, but
Yeah.
it's too late now, and you want to be an officer. So okay, look.
Yeah, it's too late.
Fine. Finish your third year. So sit down. You have to sit down and start studying. I know it's very difficult, but that's you have to go through this. Everybody has to go through this part in their life. Studying is very hard. I know.
Fuck studying.
Yeah, studying is very hard. Very hard. It's possibly
I was good at school, but
You what?
I used to be good at school, but now I am failing.
Yeah.
I wanted, see.
Mm,
I wanted to study in another country. I didn't want to study in Saudi.
mm,
I wanted a different,
mm-hmm,
I wanted an adventure, you know,
yeah.
something that I did in my life.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to be I wanted to go to America America and study there
Mm-hmm.
with my friends.
Mm-hmm.
They did go. I have 3 friends. They did all of them go. Like, but me, I didn't go because of my family. My family said no.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like
Okay.
it's free. It's even free to study there.
In America, free?
And the government. Yeah, the government will pay everything, even the salary. You know.
The Saudi government pays you to study in America?
Yeah, pays you like 300K,
I don't believe. How?
$300,000. Yeah, wallah, I'm serious.
Okay. Look. Okay, but now you have to finish. Look, you started, you finish. What are you gonna do? Is it 4 year or 3 years? Your bachelor's?
It's 5 years, but I finished like 2 years now.
Mm-hmm. Did you finish
I
calculus?
I finished the calculus 1, calculus 2,
Okay, so
and calculus 3. I'm studying calculus 3 now.
so you're doing multi-dimensional integration?
Yeah, I have finished that. The
Okay,
integrations.
but so what's
Fuck
the
that. I
you
hate
don't
it.
you hate math?
I hate integrations.
Okay, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful shapes.
No, fuck math.
Okay,
No, no.
wait, fuck math? Wait. Okay, what about vector calculus, right? You're doing vector calculus now?
I have finished vectors.
Okay. So what's the topic? What are you doing now in Calc 3?
We just started. Like it's my first week in the semester.
Okay.
You know,
Okay. So what's
I
the
don't know
most
what
what are you failing? Are you failing math or something else?
everything. It's not because I am dumb or it's hard. No, 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 no. It's because I am making everything like something I should study now. I tell myself no, I will study it later. You know,
Yeah, I know.
I always delay things. That's
Yes.
why I am failing.
Yes. So you should come to my room here and we can study together. So you sit study,
What the fuck,
yes.
nigga? I'm not gay.
No, I'm studying AI and this will look, I'm helping you. I'm not gay. Who's gay? I'm just but you
No,
need
you
to
are telling me to come to our house.
not my house, this room, vegan equals
Ah,
evil.
okay.
Come to this room
Okay.
and you can sit and study. We're studying. This is a study. I'm studying AI right now. I'm studying how to program AI.
What about? Do you want me to tell you something like better?
Go ahead.
What about making AI study itself?
I mean,
Like tell AI to make you study things. You know,
make AI make me.
make AI study. No, make AI for you to get AI better. You
Okay, but
know,
the AI doesn't know how to be better. It
there
okay.
is like something
Okay,
maybe.
right now I need to study AI before I can make it better. First I need to study the current AI, become an expert in the current AI, and then I can improve the AI. But first I need to study the AI. And you need
Okay.
okay, what are your courses? So you're doing Calc 3, what other are you doing you did materials, right?
No, I didn't did material. I did statics.
Okay, statics good. So you didn't do materials yet? Wow.
Yeah, I told you I'm failing.
Oh. Okay. Look, you need to just sit and study slowly. You need to, as they say, put your ass on the chair. That's the trick. Put
Yeah,
your
fuck yes.
ass on the chair. That's 99.9%. Also, if you have a friend you can study with, that would be nice. You can set
I
time.
will.
Okay, you will?
Yeah, I will try.
Okay.
Yeah. The thing is that all of my friends have finished my like all of them are passed. They passed the courses, but I
Okay.
didn't pass, you know?
Okay. Look, fine, It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. As long as you want to.
Which?
Mhm.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I don't say. I don't share this information. I'm sorry. I'm
Okay.
anonymous. Yeah. Hmm.
What's your major?
I I don't share it. I work in brain theory. I'm a brain theoretician. I do brain research. I'm a brain researcher.
Nigga, what the fuck? Like, I will not know you from.
It doesn't matter. It
I will
doesn't.
not know
I don't
anything.
share. I don't share information. I don't share information. It's too dangerous. It's not important. Not
How is it
important.
dangerous?
It's not
If you
important.
told you.
If you need, look. If
Okay.
do you need help with math? Do you need me to help you with math?
No, no, no. Thank you. It's okay.
Because with math, I did a lot of math. I can help you. I don't remember,
No, no.
because
My biggest.
yeah.
See. My biggest problem is. My biggest enemy is the time.
Yes.
You know.
Congratulations.
I'm not giving enough time to study. I'm not
Okay.
giving myself enough time.
So let's go.
That's my problem. I can learn. It's okay to me
Yeah.
to learn,
Good.
study.
Good.
Yeah, but
Okay. So do you want to bring your books right now and sit and study?
no, no, no. I just started. I didn't have anything to study right now.
Okay. But you said you already
Yeah.
you can study ahead, right? You have a textbook for math, right?
Right now, I didn't talk it. Like it's my first week.
You didn't buy the textbook yet?
We don't take the books. We study at the laptop online,
So online,
like ebook.
so you have an ebook, so you can start reading and doing the exercise ahead of time. You can move forward fast.
Yeah, I know.
So do that.
Maybe.
That's what I did. Like I became very good.
What's your GPA?
What?
What's your GPA?
I'm an old man. This is from many, many, many years ago. I cannot share. I don't share my GPA. But look, it doesn't matter. I've seen worse. I've seen people fail, get thrown out of university, and come back and finish and become a very good engineer. So don't worry about it.
Did you pay for your university?
I don't disclose that information.
Nigga, I will not know you.
It
How could I
doesn't
know you?
matter. Don't you're asking private info. It's not important. It's not
Yeah, but
important.
how can I know you? How
It
can I
doesn't
know you?
matter. Look, you need to sit and study. I would, if I were you right now, take the math book, start doing exercises slowly, slowly. Do everything, everything. The math is, I would say, the most important. You need to be
Okay.
amazing, absolutely amazing in the math. Math is the easiest, probably for you, because you're very high IQ. I can tell.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, no,
Anyway,
my IQ is not that high. I have done the IQ tests.
okay,
My IQ is 121.
that's very high. That's very high.
No, that's not high. Like my father's, he has a high IQ, not me.
When you will be his
My father,
age, you will be wise too. Give it time. You don't have to rush. Okay.
nigga, it's not like that.
Anyway, so if you don't want to study, do you want to debate?
Okay.
What do you want
What
to
about the debate? About?
Whatever you want. You want to debate God, Jesus,
No,
abortion?
I
Hmm.
don't love to talk about religion
Okay.
because
What?
in my religion,
Okay.
like I don't know that much. Like literally,
Okay.
I don't know what the scholars know.
Okay.
I cannot recite the whole Quran,
Okay.
and that's a big problem.
Okay.
Even if I can recite the whole Quran, I should study more to be a debater in the religion.
Okay. I mean, you.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know any. I know very little Quran. I read very little, many, many years ago. So, like,
Yeah, and I cannot debate you at Christianity because I didn't read the Bible.
Same thing. I read it a very long time ago. It doesn't matter. You can debate.
Yeah, so it would be stupid, It would be stupid to
Not
debate about
necessarily.
something we don't know.
On Discord, I debate people about God, regardless of religion, about the concept of God. We can debate the concept of God, the concept of religion, the concept of what a concept is. We can debate.
Okay. Let us debate about the concept of God and the religions.
Okay.
Are you a Christian?
I'm an atheist.
Really?
Yes, I'm an atheist, but I told you
So you don't believe that there is a God?
I believe something very strange. I believe that no one believes anything. No one believes, period. Anything.
What the fuck?
Yeah. hmm
How?
Anything you say you believe, you're lying. If you start by saying I
How?
believe, you're lying.
What should I say then?
Nothing. You don't believe. You're always. You could say you have intuition. You're skeptical.
I
Maybe.
believe that there is a God.
hmm
I believe that there is a God,
hmm
and I believe that Islam is the true religion. What are you talking about?
Okay. So what do you mean you believe? When you say you believe, what do you mean by that?
Like, I know that there is a God. You know,
But what do you okay, when you say you know there is a God, okay, what do you mean by God? Can you define God? Imagine I'm an alien.
define God.
Imagine I'm an alien. In my civilization, we never heard of this word God. I come to Earth.
The creator of the universe, the creator of every like living here
Okay,
in our earth.
that's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. So
He's one and he's powerful.
okay, it's
You know,
it's already when
totally.
you say creator, that's already a dead end. So
Why?
because when you say creator, like the creator of everything, right? He is the source. Everything is from him, right?
Yeah.
Can you imagine what it was like before he created everything? Can you imagine an emptiness, a void?
We cannot imagine things. Like,
Exactly.
I cannot imagine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you cannot
It's more like, yeah, it's more than my mind. You
exactly.
know,
Exactly.
our minds is limited. Our
Exactly.
minds, humans, is limited. We
Exactly.
cannot imagine things like this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Therefore, when you say
Even God said it. Even in the Quran, He said
fine,
it. Like,
fine,
our minds is limited.
fine,
We cannot imagine even the hell and the heaven.
fine. That's already a dead end in this debate because you're telling me that God is the creator, but okay, he did the creation, but when I ask you to help me imagine this creation, this act of creation, what it was like before the creation compared to after. Well, I know what it's after, but I don't know what it was like before. You're telling me we cannot know this. Therefore, you cannot know God. You just proved to me.
How?
You just proved to me you cannot know God, right? Because I asked you, you told me I know God, and I said, okay, define God, and you said the Creator, and I said,
I
okay,
can know you without knowing your past. It's okay.
okay, but I asked you. You said you know God, and I said define God, right? So we're gonna replace the word God with something else. You said Creator. Okay, you know the Creator. Okay, define
Yeah.
Creator. And you said the creator of everything, and I said, okay, this creator that he did the creation, what was it like before the act of what was the universe like before the creation? And you said I don't know, but I'm right,
Yes.
I'm trying to define creator, and you telling me I don't know how to define creator. So
No, I
therefore,
can't define creation.
okay, therefore you don't know God. That's the proof. It's a mathematical
Nigga,
proof.
nigga.
Yes,
Listen,
sir.
wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can know you without knowing your pasts. So I can know God, the creator, without knowing his
But you
past
cannot,
too.
right,
It's okay.
but your definition of God is that he is the creator.
Yeah.
That's the definition. So
Then
this,
who created? Okay.
no, no, no.
Okay, tell me. Then who created
But
all
when
of
you
this in
say,
this world?
when you say who created, I'm asking you, what do you mean by created? And you tell me I don't know what it means. This created, this act of he created, the act of creation. You said I don't know because you don't know what it was like before, right? The most fundamental thing is what was it like before, and you tell me I cannot know it. That's the end of this discussion.
Tell me now. Tell
Yes,
me.
sir. Yes, sir.
How did everything came? Tell me in your belief, like in
I
your mind.
agree. I agree that we cannot know. We will never know. We will never, ever, ever know. Never,
Why?
never.
Why would you never know?
That's just I don't know. That's just because I cannot
Is
understand
God like
what.
is God a theory for you? Like is it a theory that there is a God?
It's not. It's not a theory. A theory is to explain a phenomenon. But what is the phenomenon that I'm trying to explain? I don't know the phenomenon. The phenomenon is the beginning of everything, but I cannot imagine the beginning. I don't have a phenomenon to study. I cannot study a
Okay,
phenomenon.
what about reading? What about reading the Quran?
What about?
I suggest I suggest for you
But that's
to
not.
read the Quran.
No, but in a debate, you cannot say, I suggest to you to read the Quran. In a debate, you have to
No,
answer.
we are not like debate. We are having a conversation more than a
It's the
debate.
same. It's the same.
Listen to me, because we don't know shit. Like we don't know, nigga. We don't know shit. We don't know any. We are not knowledgeable to talk about
But
this
okay,
matter.
fine.
You
But
know.
that's the end. But that's the end of the You're ending the conversation when you're telling me go read. Go. You're telling me to go. Okay, that's the. You're ending the conversation.
I'm not ending it. I am telling you in the middle of the
Yes,
conversation that
fine.
I
Okay,
think that you should read the Quran.
why?
Maybe it will answer all your questions.
It
Maybe you will have
can't.
that.
It can't. I cannot
Allah.
imagine. I cannot imagine what the universe was like before there was a universe. I cannot imagine. No one can imagine this. It's unimaginable.
Okay, tell me how did we came?
I don't
What's the
know. I
purpose?
agree. I don't know. No, no. It's unknowable. This is This is
What's
what
the purpose of us living
I
here? What's the purpose?
I don't know. I don't know. But it's unknowable. It's not that I don't know. This is unknowable. We will never know the answers to these questions. Never.
What about if I told you that we have answers for it?
You're lying.
Why am I lying?
Because you cannot know. Because I cannot know. Therefore, you cannot know. We can never know the answer to these questions. So, if you tell me you do know, then I know you're lying.
So you are saying that we cannot know how did the first cell came?
No, the first cell is easy.
What?
How the first cell was created? Evolution.
Yeah, what's evolution?
Evolution is easy. You're asking the easiest question in the world how the first cell evolved. It evolved because of Darwin. Darwin explained how
What
the.
the fuck?
Yeah. What's the question?
Darwin did it or Darwin?
No,
What the
Darwin
fuck?
explained. Darwin didn't do it.
Yeah,
Darwin.
the first thing, the first. I want you to talk about the first cell ever
There is no.
in
There
this
is
universe.
no. There is no first cell. It's evolution. There was
Yeah, what's in the first before it's evolved, like before it came better.
in the
Oh, I'm
beginning.
not.
There's many theories. One of them is that there was a short strand of random RNA. You know RNA?
No,
You know DNA?
I know DNA. Yeah.
So there's also RNA. It's the same thing. RNA is simpler. DNA is double strand. The D is double. RNA is single
Yeah.
strand. Anyway,
Okay.
RNA can form by itself. RNA, if you put it and like RNA can form by itself, and through what is called dry wet cycles, it can self-replicate. And once a system starts self-replicating, Darwinian laws kick in, evolution starts, and the first cell within a few years shows up, and then we show up.
What the fuck is that? Do you know that Darwin was a Christian?
I mean, but then he became an atheist. Once he realized
He
how.
didn't. He didn't. No. He didn't become an atheist. He was religious until he died.
I
What the fuck?
read. It
Says
doesn't.
about it.
It's fine. I don't mind. It doesn't matter. He explained evolution. That's all that is important. He explained
And the monkey
the
thing
monkey.
that he said that we came. He didn't say that. He didn't say that we came out of monkeys.
Okay, it doesn't matter if he said it or not. I think it doesn't matter. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
it was a student.
It doesn't
Oh,
matter who said it. It doesn't matter. It's obvious that we came out of the monkeys. Obviously, we evolved from.
what the fuck? No, nigga. I'm not a monkey. Shut the fuck up.
Okay, I'm not saying you're a monkey. We
Yeah, you
evolved.
should respect yourself. Like we are better than animals, right?
What's the question?
We are better than the animals.
I mean, we're better at certain things. A chimp can rip a person to bits. A chimp is much stronger. Much stronger.
We are like smarter than them.
In
No.
certain things we are, and certain things they're smarter. It depends on what.
Nigga, we are smarter than animals. Like, shut the fuck up.
No.
We are
There's
better. We are.
no. There's YouTube videos. They show that chimps are much smarter than humans in certain tasks.
Chimps? What the fuck is chimps?
A chimpanzee. It's a monkey.
Oh,
ape.
chimpanzee. He's not
Chimp.
smarter. No.
In certain tasks, it is.
Nigga, he cannot even read.
It can actually read and remember certain numbers. It actually understands numbers and much.
Yeah, no, he's like a kid. He's
No,
like a kid. Not,
no, like a genius.
yeah.
In certain, no, like a genius. You wanted me to show you the video? In certain,
No.
it doesn't matter. In certain tasks,
I'm playing the game.
chimps are very smart. Okay.
So you know, be a chimpanzee.
Do I want
One
to be
day?
a chimp?
Yeah.
What do you mean, do I want to be a chimp? I don't want to be. I'm happy being me. I don't want to be you. I don't want to be.
I'm joking.
Oh,
So I have a question. Like,
yes, sir.
what do you think after life? After like we die, what do you think will happen?
I think the brain neurons stop firing. So consciousness ends and there is nothing after that.
Like, do you believe that there is a black screen?
Yeah, like if you ever blacked out, like if you do boxing and you got punched and you blacked out, then you
Yeah.
know, so your brain shuts off. It's like somebody shuts off the lights and then you wake up and they tell you you've been out for like a couple of seconds.
So you don't believe that there is a soul, there is afterlife?
It's not possible.
It's not possible for you to imagine it.
Correct. Because
Okay.
consciousness is something that a neural network knows how to do. Consciousness.
So, well, let me tell you something.
Yes,
Like,
sir.
if there will be a black screen, why the fuck would I care if I raped someone?
Because they'll execute you.
No, if I was okay, let me tell you, if I was in a country
Mm-hmm.
without any law, okay,
Mm-hmm.
without zero law. There is nothing like there is
Okay.
nothing you can be judged on. And
Mhm.
I get a 1-year-old girl and I
Mhm.
raped her till death. You know.
Okay. Rape, murder. Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
rape and murder. A
Okay.
1-year-old.
Okay.
Yeah. What will happen like to me? So it's okay. It's
She's
okay in your
she.
belief that
What
I
do you?
do this. You know.
I mean, I don't have the word. I don't know what okay means. So you can say it's okay or not okay. It doesn't. There's no difference between okay and not okay. Both mean nothing.
Morality in a moral way.
There is no morality.
So
There.
it's,
Yes. Go on.
can you fuck your mother? You know.
Yeah.
Sorry, but can you not you?
Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
I'm just can you have sex with her?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course, you can do anything you want. You can kill everybody, rape everybody, do whatever you want. If you don't care
And
about,
nothing will happen for it to you.
excuse me,
And nothing will happen to you if there was no law.
correct,
So there is no punishment
correct,
for what's the actions that I did in this life.
correct.
What the fuck is this belief? Like you're fucking my brain cells.
Yeah, but that's what I believe. I don't believe
It's the
in.
dumbest shit I have ever heard.
Why? As long as,
Maybe you're good at math, but you're bad at life.
but as long
You
as
don't
we
know
live,
shit.
as long as we live in a society, we have to behave. Otherwise, they kill us. So we all behave. Not only
So
that, I'm a model citizen. If I walk down the street and I see somebody raping a little girl, of course I will protect her with my life. Because I don't want to live in a society where men rape little girls. I will die to protect a little girl because I don't want to live in a society that is lawless.
yeah, so if there was a society in this world
Hmm.
without anything, like without any law,
Hmm.
it's okay for them to do anything.
Of course. I mean, I told you it doesn't. The word okay doesn't mean any. I don't know what the word okay means. It's not okay, and it's not. It's not okay, and it's not okay. There's no difference. There's no meaning to the word to the letters okay. It doesn't okay doesn't mean anything. It's not even a word in English,
No, it's a definition about something. Like we're
right? But
talking about, is it normal? Is it normal to them
normal
to do this?
normal is a
Are you?
normal is a statistical question. So, statistically speaking, in modern society in the West, it's not normal. It's not statistically normal. It's statistically abnormal for men to rape little girls. By the way,
What?
what do you mean what? It's You know
What the fuck
statistics.
are you saying?
You said normal. Normal is the average, statistical average. No. What do you mean by normal?
No, I am trying to say okay. Like means do you will do like uh, are you accepting that there is like a society without law and raping a 1-year-old and killing girl?
If that's the society I live in, then what do you want me to do about it? Right? There's in Iraq, you can marry. Now they changed the law to 9-year-old. In America, it's 18-year-old. In different countries, different numbers. In Italy, I think
I know,
15.
I know, I know, I know,
Different.
but is it moral
It doesn't mean anything.
okay? And
There, there's
Allah,
no.
you are fucking my brains right
No.
now.
No.
I'm getting stupid to talk to you. Wallahi, I'm getting more stupid.
No, no, you're not. You can
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you call yourself a master debater. You should. This is Discord.
No, no, no. What do you believe in is very dumb. Like I think you should read the Quran.
I read the Quran.
Really help yourself.
I read
Read
many.
the Quran.
I read.
No, read the whole
I
Quran. Read the whole
used to.
Quran.
I used to be religious. I used to believe in God, and I used to believe, But I'm an old man. When you grow old, you
How old are you? How old are you?
very old, very old. I'm very old.
Like 50 in the 50s,
It
above 40.
matter. It doesn't matter. What matters is I used to be everything. I grew out of religion. Just like modern society, Western society grew out of religion. I grew out of religion. Maybe in time you will grow.
Okay, do you have kids?
I
Do you have
don't
kids?
I don't disclose personal information. No personal information. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Nigga, I'm from Saudi. Like I will do nothing.
You told me. I know. You told me. Oh, no.
Yeah.
No, I don't want anyone else to know. No one. I look, I want to be anonymous. No one should know this ever. No one should know. Hello, Ja.
No one should know what.
No one should know anything about me. I am anonymous.
Okay, okay.
Same.
Yeah, many people in the internet are anonymous. It's very dangerous to reveal information, personal information.
YouTube, Mr. Slave.
Excuse me?
YouTube, Mr. Slave.
YouTube, Mr. Slave?
You're live streaming.
Yes, I'm live streaming.
What the fuck?
Yes, I'm always live.
Why didn't you?
It says live next to my name. It's in my profile. I'm tired of telling people. It's like everybody that walks into the room, I have to tell them. It's impossible. People walk in and out all the time.
Yeah, but you only have one viewer, so it's okay.
Yeah.
It's me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's you. Yeah.
Oh, J-Rock.
Why the fuck your name is Mr. Slave?
Because I'm a sex slave.
What?
I'm a sex slave. Hello, J-Rock.
What does that
Sex
mean?
slave?
I'm
What the fuck does that mean?
a sex slave? It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter.
It doesn't
Explain
matter,
it.
but tell us, like, what the you just said it. It's matters
No,
now.
Explain it, dude.
I am curious about your name. Tell me.
no. There's many videos. Go to my channel. There's many videos where I explain that I'm a slave. Go watch the videos. It's boring.
For real?
I might die of boredom if I have to explain this again.
Is that for real?
Yeah.
You will make a video of me, your channel.
It's gonna stay up unless there's a problem. Like sometimes I talk to Muslims, ex-Muslims, and they ask me to take it down because it's too dangerous. So I took it down. Like one time I spoke to a Chinese guy. He spoke against the government. He asked me to take it down. I took it down. And
That's nice.
yeah, I mean, if you tell me that it's a problem.
Yeah, he's not actually a nice guy, like in your mind. He's saying it's okay to rape a 1-year-old and kill her in a society without law.
No, I said.
What the fuck is that?
No, I didn't say it's okay. Every time you said okay, I said it's undefined. I said it's not okay, and it's not okay. It doesn't mean anything. I didn't say it's okay.
Like it's okay, and then that's the definition of okay.
No,
it's normal for you.
I don't know what you mean by I don't rape. I don't rape little girls. If I rape little girls,
I know that you don't. I know that you don't rape little girls, but
yes,
you are like. How can I divide it to understand it?
Okay.
It's okay for you to live with a society in this world that can do this shit, you know?
I'd rather
science snitch.
Science snitch?
You rather not.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm comfortable. Like, I prefer living in the West, right? I can go live in the wilderness. I can go live in, I don't know where there is like in the Amazon. Where? What?
Cushido.
Cushido?
Yeah, Cuchu.
I mean, if I wanted to
survive there.
No, if I want to rape little girls, I could go live where they rape. I don't know where they rape little girls, but I would go live with them and rape little girls if that's what I wanted to do. I mean, anyone can do that, but I prefer to live in the
Especially in,
West. What?
yeah, in
It
the West,
happens. Yeah,
there is
here
like
too.
I prefer to live. I prefer to live where it's not allowed to rape. I don't like personally. I don't like raping. I'm a sex slave. I like being raped. If you wanted to know what it means to be a
what
sex
the
slave,
fuck?
yeah, that's the definition of a sex slave. I get
Oh,
raped. I don't rape. So I personally,
that's
What the
insane.
fuck is wrong with
That's
you, nigga?
insane.
You are the weirdest guy I have ever talked to in my life.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I personally don't
That is
agree.
extreme.
Yeah, I don't
You
appreciate.
should find God.
I told you I used to believe in God. I came out of
Yeah,
religion.
you don't anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now
you should believe it. You should believe in God again.
it's too late.
Trust me.
It's too late. I used to be young and
It's
I
not
didn't,
late.
but we just went through a proof that it's impossible to believe there is a God. We proved it. So I can't I can't now go back. It's like going
Nigga,
back.
you didn't believe. You didn't prove anything.
Okay, fine. I didn't.
Yeah.
Anyway,
You said I don't know. You just said I don't know. That's not a proof.
okay. Okay, whatever
Yeah.
you say. Anyway, Master Debater, you're a very nice person. I'm actually enjoying talking to you. You're very accepting.
Nigga, I'm not accepting.
You're very nice. Like most people, when I talk this way to them, they tell me they're coming to kill me.
I am coming. I am.
And that's why I am anonymous, because people tell me they're coming to kill me all the time.
Of course, I get it now. Your name is Mr. Slave. Of course, you
Yes.
will get killed.
Of course I get killed. What?
Yeah.
Of course, it's like you should get killed.
I should be killed because I'm a sex slave?
Yeah,
Why? What do you gain from killing me? What's the purpose of killing me?
I don't know. Like enjoyment.
You enjoy murder?
Sometimes
It's like next to
Nah.
rape.
it depends. It depends.
Nah, there's no pleasure from murdering unless
That's so, dude. People are addicted to it.
unless you're, yeah, I
Yeah, many
mean,
people are addicted to killing.
to killing, to murder.
Yeah.
I mean, people you see have road rage, then yeah, sometimes you get upset and you want to kill people. Yeah,
But it's like their fetish.
I don't know if you call it
No, but
fetish.
I don't have this fetish shit. No. That's weird. I'm not.
It's-
But like you should get killed because like your ideology should not spread in this world. Like, how do you think we should
I
stop it? You know?
I guarantee you that my ideology will lose. I will lose. Your ideology will lose. You know who's gonna win?
No, I will win.
You will
Me.
lose. No, I'll tell you who's gonna win. You want to know?
yes.
Oh.
The vegans. The vegans will win.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
The vegans will enter heaven or what?
No, no heaven. They'll win and they'll destroy everything and there will be nothing left.
The vegans.
Yeah.
Where do
Why
they
would
get
you
the
think?
power from?
What?
How do they get so much power?
Because the vegan, when you talk to the vegans, you see that everyone switches to the vegan logic. Slowly everyone converts to the vegan logic.
I feel like you have psychosis or something. Check yourself. Check yourself.
I wish I had psychosis, trust me. I wish.
What do you have?
No, I think you have it.
I wish. I honestly wish. That would be the best news. Unfortunately,
Sure.
we're
It's
doomed.
not the best.
Anyway, Jah. What your name is Jah?
Ja.
Jah.
Yeah,
Are you from Iraq?
Yeah.
صدق والله.
No, I'm not from Iraq.
Where are you from?
England.
Oh,
You're white.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So
you're
what are you a Christian or you what?
no, he's a Muslim. You can hear he
No, I'm not.
speaks Arabic.
No, he doesn't.
I don't speak Arabic.
Oh,
What are you?
Pakistani.
I'm on the fence. I'm a fence sitter.
What the fuck? What's that?
He does.
I just
He's not any. He doesn't believe anything. He doesn't
I
know.
just wait.
So you're an atheist,
He,
basically.
he's not
Not
even.
really.
He's not even sure that he's an atheist. He's not.
So do you believe in God?
He doesn't know. He
Do you
doesn't.
believe that there's a God? Wait, I'm asking him. Like, let him speak.
No, like I don't know.
He said he sits on the fence. He doesn't know. He doesn't. He didn't decide. He hasn't decided.
Nigga decided, nigga. You don't know when you will die.
Oh my God! Yeah.
Decide now.
I will decide probably like a second before I die.
Yeah.
You can. How can you know when you will die?
So you know, before you die, everybody
hope.
knows.
I
Yeah.
gotta say, I
Cannot
think
know.
Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior.
Oh, you're Christian.
Oh, so you're a
Yes,
Christian?
It's the only thing I know.
Oh my God.
What?
He
That's
doesn't
the only one I
know.
know.
He's just going through the ritual saying Jesus Christ is his Lord and Savior. It's just a ritual.
Yeah, it sends me to heaven.
Yeah.
Pretty sure.
You just say that.
What
you go-
about more logic that Jesus Christ is a prophet and God is only one?
Yeah, God.
power.
There's only one God. Probably.
Oh,
maybe.
Is Jesus,
I don't know.
is Jesus
Wait,
God?
how do you know there's only one? Probably. Maybe there was two. Probably. How do you know?
Maybe there's just a lot of people saying one.
So what?
So
There's
it's
a
a big
lot of
guess.
people saying a lot of nonsense.
Yeah.
That's true. But I still
Easy,
listen to
easy.
it.
If you are a ruler, there is nothing about two rulers, of a country. Should be only one.
Sometimes there's
You know?
two.
Where?
In the Roman Empire, there were always two.
You cannot lead. You cannot lead. It's not perfect.
Well, that's how
It's
the
not a
Roman
good system.
the Roman Empire initially had two kings simultaneously. That's how it worked.
I don't know about it, but in the end of the day, there will be a king that have more power than the other one.
Yeah,
Yeah. So the power is for only one.
we don't know. Maybe there is.
Yeah.
Maybe there's many
And
gods.
I will give you something else. Like, wait. No, this is it.
We don't
You
know.
get what I mean? You don't know, but I know.
How do you know?
And
You-
inshallah, that Jah knows too.
You don't know more than I
That
know.
there is only one God.
If you say
But
you
no.
know,
So wait.
Yeah.
Wait, Mr. Slip, wait.
Yes,
You will
sir.
get raped. Wait a second. Jah.
Yeah.
So you believe that there is only one God?
I mean, not really. It's just that it's possible.
Wait, Master Debater.
You just said it.
Master Debater, how tall are you?
6 foot.
That's good.
I
How
think
much do
6
you
foot.
weigh?
And how much do you
I
weigh?
think it's
You weigh 200 or 160? 160 something?
200, 220, like this.
So you have muscles or fat?
50-50, like 50% muscle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you exercise?
I used to go to the gym, but I stopped.
Oh.
I used to be fat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I used to be 260, 270.
Your father
270.
has one wife or many wives?
One wife.
Okay.
But my grandfather had 2 wives.
For real? That's dope.
What?
That's pretty dope.
Yeah,
that's
that's
good.
Sigma. He's a Sigma.
Yeah, it is.
He's a what?
Sigma.
Sigma.
He's an alpha male. Yeah.
He's up there with the Andrew Tate.
2 wives.
That's nice.
What's more better than 2 wives?
3
3.
wives.
Better than 3. Oh.
No, it doesn't matter how many
Pathetic.
wives. The question is, do you have one wife that you enjoy? You can have
Yeah.
many wives that are fat and ugly and disgusting. That's no good. That's useless.
Mm,
Or you can have one wife
No,
that is,
what I think it's that marriage is not about love.
well, that's
It's about
terrible.
money.
Yeah, you can love 2. You can love one more than one, you know.
You can love
If you marry
many,
multiple wives, it's not
but
about loving them the same.
but when you read the Quran, I don't know, I don't remember, but Muhammad, I think he loved Aisha very much.
Yeah, he loved Aisha more than them. Yeah,
Yes.
I know,
So,
especially Khadija.
well, I
He
don't
loved
know.
Khadija more than them all.
I don't know, but I know that he really loved Aisha. So you need to
No,
find.
Khadija. He
Wait,
really loved Khadija.
he didn't love Aisha more than all
He
the
loved
rest.
Aisha, but he
Who
loved Aisha, but the most wife he loved Khadija.
really,
Sershab, the first wife. Yeah,
really interesting.
It wasn't.
yeah. But marriage, marrying multiple wives is not about love. It's it's not about loving them the same. It's about treating them the same. Justice, you know.
Well, as long as you have a good time and you're happy, that's all that matters. Anyway,
yeah, you're a sex slave.
yeah. Anyway, does anybody want to debate something or what's going on? We need to debate. We can't just agree.
I wanna
Agreeing is boring.
I wanna ask Jah.
Yes. No, you're here. You have to
So
ask
Jah,
me. You have to debate me. Otherwise, it's boring. I need to debate. Debate me.
yeah,
please.
but wait a minute.
I just
Wait a
don't
minute.
care about a lot of shit.
I'm gonna ask him a simple
You're
question.
gonna. I know what you're gonna
Do you-
ask him. I know what you're gonna ask him. You already asked him again with the
I
God.
know.
With the believe in God. Believe in God.
No, nigga. No,
No?
nigga. Wait a second.
Okay.
So, you believe that Jesus is God or
Oh
no?
my God! I told you.
Mr. Saif, shut the fuck up a little minute. Wait.
Okay, but finish up. Come on. We need to debate. We can't waste time with do you believe in
Okay,
Jesus? Do you
we
believe
will
in
debate.
Jesus? Let's debate.
We will debate. We will debate, but wait.
Okay, ask a question. I'll say whatever you think.
You believe that Jesus is God?
No.
So you believe that there is only one God,
He doesn't know.
the Father.
It could be five.
You believe that Jesus is the Son
No,
of
you know
God?
what I really believe? I believe we're all God.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
What the fuck?
we're all God.
That's the dumbest shit that
And you
That's so not the dumbest shit ever.
you
Dude.
thought I'm weird.
You are all weird.
We're all you're
all
You're
weird.
all
I'm
still more
weird.
weird than him.
Everybody's weird. Let's go. Let's debate something. What do you want to debate? Do you do you like vegans? Are you an environmentalist? Do you believe in the global warming? Do you believe 9/11?
Yeah, I believe-
Do you believe in the moon landing? Do you believe in flat Earth? Conspiracy theories? What do you believe? Evolution,
I believe
abortion, what?
Abortion should be legal.
Okay,
And
we need,
transgender operations as well.
no, fuck no. Abortion
Wait.
should be illegal.
abortion should be illegal?
No, legal.
Yeah, fuck this.
Okay, so Master Debater, you want abortion to be illegal?
Illegal.
Okay, why?
Because you are killing kids.
Okay,
Strong.
okay, what you mean from what point? From when? From when in the conception? From when the sperm and the egg become one? Well, from what point can you not abort?
Like maybe in the third week or fourth, like
Okay,
the fourth
so
week.
everybody agrees on something like that. You're like normal. You're not anti-abortion. You want the abortion to be at a certain window, at a certain time window, and other people want a different time window. That's not you. You're not anti-abortion.
No,
Congratulations.
no.
You,
I am anti-abortion. There shouldn't be abortion
but you
Ever.
said
Ever.
ever.
you
Yeah,
said
no. In some cases,
in some
it
cases.
depends. In some cases,
It
like
depends.
yeah,
You're
maybe
like
Just a model choice.
you're pro-choice. Master debater, listen, you're pro-choice. You're like everybody. Everybody agrees you cannot murder the baby like in the 9th month, and everybody
no.
agree.
I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about that. I am
Can you take it?
against abortion,
Do
but
you
in
know
some
the?
cases, like
Let me ask you. Do you know the
يا أخي,
morning?
can you wait? Can you wait? يا أخي, shut the fuck up, يا أخي. Shut the fuck up.
Wait,
Let
what
me
did you call
speak.
me? You said what did you call me?
I said shut the fuck up.
No, but then you called me something. I want to learn how to curse in
Yeah,
Arabic.
Arabic, like my brother, shut the fuck up.
Wait, what did you
أخي.
say? How do you say brother?
أخي.
You're not my brother, obviously, but
What?
we say my brother.
Say
Shut
it.
the fuck
Say it. I
up.
want to learn the word.
يا أخي, يا أخي,
Yahi. Yahi. Yahi.
يا أخي, يا
Ya ahi.
أخي,
Ya
يا
ahi.
أخي,
Ya ahi. Ya ahi. Ya ahi. Ya ahi.
يا أخي, يا
Ya
أخي.
ahi. Ya ahi. All right. Ya ahi. Aywa.
Call
Go
him
ahead.
a sharmuta.
What? Sharmuta.
Sharmada is means whore.
Yeah. All right.
Slave means abd.
Abd. Abd.
Abd.
Abd. Yeah,
Abd.
I want many abd.
Abd.
me
Abd.
too.
Abdallah.
Abdullah.
Abdallah.
The slave of God.
Yeah. Abdallah.
The slave of Allah.
Aywa. Iktir. I know how to say iktir. Aywa, iktir. What is iktir?
MashaAllah.
Iktir is big?
What?
Iktir is big?
كتير? No, it means a lot.
Oh, a lot. Okay. And there's Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, the glory for Allah.
Okay.
English. English.
And there's Yahrib Baitak. Yahrib Baitak.
يخرب بيتك means
Your house.
I hope that your house
house-
get destroyed.
Yeah.
like it.
Okay.
Met.
Emmek is your mom?
أمك يا سلام.
Emmek.
Are you a fucking spy or something?
What is
No,
Ikhwan?
I'm trying to learn Arabic. Spy. Everybody
Okay.
learns Arabic becomes spy.
I don't know.
I'm gonna because I know Emmek. I'm gonna be now spy. How? Because I know Emmek. That's it. Now I'm spy. Okay. Anyway, okay. What do we got? Jah. Do you know AI?
Yeah.
You know Python?
No.
Oh, so how do
Yeah, I
you
know the language, but
do you program AI? Do you know AI models? No.
I don't program.
Jah. How old are you?
19 and a half.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
How old are you?
16.
Perfect.
You're 16. You're
I'm
third
tw-
year of college. How can you be 16 third year of college?
I'm 21. I'm 21. I'm joking.
Okay.
21 Savage.
21 savage.
What is
Nice.
savage?
I'm not a savage. No. I am a good guy.
Yeah, I can
I'm a
see.
noble. I'm a wise guy.
I can see in your profile
Um,
picture. You have a nice car. Is this your car?
Yes, thank you.
It's a Hyundai,
It's a Nissan.
Nissan. Okay,
Yeah, it's a desert car.
Nissan. This is a
Nissan.
sleeper car. Did you tune
Nissan
it?
Path.
It's an
What?
SUV.
Yeah, SUV, Nissan Patrol. It's called
Mm.
Patrol.
Okay.
Did you tune it?
What?
Is it
Did you
new?
tune the car?
Is it 20?
No, I didn't. But some of people tune it. You know, maybe I will tune it. I will have it to 20 airballs or something.
Is it?
That
Oh,
is
so
kind of cool.
so it's not new. It's not 2024, 2023. What year is it?
It's 2023. It's 2023.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you live in, right? There's Mecca, Medina. What else is there?
There is like many places. Riyadh, Dammam, Abha.
So you live in Riyadh? Riyadh?
No, I live in Mecca.
You live in Mecca?
Near.
Oh, really?
Wow. So
Yeah.
you must be
That's
very, very wealthy.
No, it's not like this.
No?
Yeah, it's not like this. Not everyone here is rich.
Mm. No, but if you live in Mecca, it sounds like it's like you need to be rich to live there.
No, Mecca is very big. What are you talking
Oh,
about?
okay. Is there many skyscrapers in Mecca?
No. Just near to the Kaaba. You know the Kaaba?
Yeah, I know the Kaaba, of course.
But do you come there a lot? Often?
Yeah, I go a lot there.
That's amazing.
It's very like, wallah, it's amazing, really.
Of course.
One of the best, like, it's, I have like traveled 50 times in my life.
Mm-hmm.
I've traveled around the world.
Mm-hmm.
I did go to like almost all countries in Europe.
Mm-hmm.
I have never experienced Mecca.
Wait,
You
you've
know?
never
I have never experienced an experience. No, I have never experienced like the experience
Of course.
of
Of
Mecca.
course, this is a ritual with so many people. Of course, it's amazing. Of course. Any time you do a ritual with many people, it's very inspiring. It's
no, but sitting there reading the Quran,
yeah,
it's very nice.
of course, of course.
But unfortunately, you cannot try it until you convert to Islam. You cannot go
Yeah.
there.
There's one guy. He made a
convert.
I saw one guy. He made a YouTube video of the entire. Anyway, I saw a video. I saw a video. One guy, he went. Oh, he did a video of the entire trip of everything. It was so amazing, unbelievable, such an amazing experience. Until you see it, you can, like, on YouTube, you cannot believe it. I heard about this thing. Like you read about it, you learn about it in school, but then when you see the video, you see the experience. It's so big. Everything there is so big. So many people.
Yes. Millions of people.
Amazing. Anyway, listen, we need to disagree on something. We can't just always agree. We need to start debating.
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I need to debate. If I don't...
There you go.
It's Mr. Slave.
Yeah, I'm coming. You want me to come over?
Come. Yes, now. Yeah, go now.
Oh,
You want to get raped?
Wait, which is your server? I don't remember. You don't give...
Trap House.
Trap House. Let me see if I have... Yeah, if you can give me a link, because I don't have a link. You never sent me
right there.
Right there?
Join VC.
Okay.
Yep.
No, not follow. Ugh.
You're in the server. Just go to the VC. You're in the server.
The general?
Yes.
Okay.
Yo.
What's up? What's going on? What's the question? What's going on? Lily, you wanted me to come in. I'm here. What's the question?
This is my friend Ziggy, and he's a vegan.
Ziggy's not a vegan. Ziggy is Ziggy.
No, he's a vegan. No, Ziggy's a vegan.
I am a vegan.
You are a vegan? I heard that you're trying to convert to what do you call it? Mormonism. You want to be a Mormon?
I'm not trying to do anything, brother.
Okay. I heard that you
I just go to the Mormon church with my homies.
Why?
But yeah, he's a vegan.
You believe
I'm not
in
vegan. I wish I was. Yeah, I believe in it, but I'm not it. I believe in it.
You believe in the Schmiganismism?
I believe in Schmiegans.
Schmiegans.
I believe in Smeagol's. I want to take the ring to Mordor.
So I believe that all vegans are evil. What do you say to that?
Say that again, sorry.
All vegans are evil, like Hitler. Hitler was a vegan.
All right, dude.
What?
Mr. Slave, where was my money?
I mean, dude, I mean, dude, you can't.
Give me my money.
Wait, what do you
Mr.
believe?
Slave, can I force you?
Oh, wait,
to
Lily,
dig
unmute it. Unmute it. The joke doesn't work if it's not muted. Because you said you believe in veganism.
Mr. Slave, can I force you to look at Ziggy's? You know.
No, because
Lily?
I'm not looking.
Do you want to see it live?
Yeah, Mr. Slave, you better look.
No looking.
Mr. Slave, I'm telling
Lily,
you to
what do you
do
think
it.
about the
Do
black
it.
T-shirt with the lemon sorbet
Old
ice cream?
school, old school, old.
No, this is the map of America.
Old school. What is Ziggy? I swear, if I would ever play this for you, you would like spaz out and say it's horrible.
This is a really old school song, bro. This is older than you, Lily. No cap. It's older than me, I'm pretty sure.
All right.
Do you believe in vegan?
Mr. Slave.
Yes,
If I told you if I told you hypothetically to have sex with Ziggy, would you?
Very unlikely. Very unlikely.
But what if I
What
told
the
you
fuck
to?
is
What if I
that?
told you to?
It would look. So you'd first have to be my dom.
I thought I was.
You're not. Well, you would have to whip me into submission.
Well, yeah. What if I whipped you and told you to fuck or get fucked by Ziggy?
It's possible. It's I need to be there and then. It depends on the real time experience. Who knows?
What if I told you that you like had to and it was like rape?
What if what?
What if I told you like had to and it was like rape?
What do you mean like rape?
Like Ziggy raping. Ziggy, what did you just do?
I don't know. I'm not looking. Ziggy, it's not gonna help you to take off your underwear. I'm not looking.
It's you better look, Mr. Slave.
No,
Do you
I'm streaming.
believe in love after
Yes,
love?
I don't want him to ruin my stream.
He's not doing it. You're fine.
No, look, I want to show you my new haircut.
I don't trust Ziggy anymore. Ziggy,
No, he's
No.
showing you his He's showing you his new haircut. I swear.
I don't want to watch. No, it's too dangerous.
You
Look,
like
I'm telling you
my
to.
Ziggy
I'm
is
telling
a
you
danger
to.
to you. Ziggy is a vegan. That's all I need to know. He's an evil person.
He's not actually a vegan. A vegan, you're supposed to show you his new fucking kosher haircut.
Right, Lily, I'm not standing with my dick out. Like,
Ziggy,
yeah, I had my dick out, dude. You've made a
Ziggy,
good
when
call.
did you decide to be evil? I mean, a vegan.
Dude, I'm not a vegan.
But you are evil. You should be vegan.
I'm not a vegan. I'm just a pedophile.
That's good. Does anybody know what's going on with the stock market today? What's happening?
Like in
Yeah.
what regard?
Anyway, Ziggy, are you named after the song, the Ziggy Ziggy Ah?
Ziggy, are you?
1 second.
Oh wait, Ziggy, do you want to listen to that song that I told you mentioned Ziggy?
Oh, there's-
I
I'm
told you
okay.
about it.
I'm okay, dude.
David Bowie
What do you say?
is called Ziggy, right? He has this.
Ready, Ziggy? Listen to it. Listen to it, Ziggy. Go.
Dude, I called myself Ziggy in 2006. So whenever that
After-
song came out.
much before.
Yeah,
What do you-
yeah.
No. Give it a chance, Ziggy. Give it
No.
a chance.
No, it's mute already. Sorry, dude. Don't like it.
You know what? Then I'll ban the bot for the night. Suck a dick. I listen to
Yeah,
your
I think
shitty
I may
songs.
get over it. I mean,
think you
dude, no
may
offense,
be
but
okay.
that is certified. I mean, dude, if you like it, you like it. Good for you. I personally don't.
Maybe I personally don't like you.
Cool.
Anyway,
do you want to play GeoGuessr?
I don't want to open the.
Oh yeah, Lily, we need to make the most of it. I'm pretty sure my fucking trial runs out
Let's
soon.
play some. Come on, start one up.
All right, give me a sec.
I
I'm gonna play my own music in a bit.
Start the GeoGuessr.
Does anyone here know the rules of baseball? Do you know the rules of baseball?
Yes. Yeah. Why?
You know
Yeah,
the
dude,
rules
you know-
of baseball? You don't know the rules.
Dude, I know the
Yeah,
rules
I
of
do,
baseball.
yeah.
You know the funniest shit is these niggas made it a national sport. In the UK, it's called rounders. You play it from like age 6 to age 10. These niggas made it a national sport. No one plays baseball except for Japan and America. No one.
Yeah. Dominican Republic is the #1 baseball. team
Yeah,
in the world.
no one plays it, dude.
Yeah.
How about you play a
Dominican
real game like football?
But yeah, what about baseball?
I'm learning the rules. Just now.
Where's
learning the
America
rules.
ranked in football, Lily? And you know what I mean by football.
We don't care about it here. Like it's not.
Yeah,
really...
who cares about American football? It's literally called American because nobody plays it.
Well, you guys call it American football. We don't.
What do you call it? Football.
Football.
Football. Yeah.
Name one other country that plays it.
It's becoming a thing in other countries that.
No, it's not.
Because can I finish my sentence or no?
Well, if you speak quicker, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Maybe I have to speak on a faggot level like you do to get across, but
Well,
they're recruiting other countries' rugby players and starting football camps. over
Rugby
there.
players are so much stronger than American football players.
Yeah,
and
but you can't-
I don't even have.
But Elise, let me finish. You can't make any money playing rugby. You can make
Yes,
money
you
playing
can.
football. Not the same, dude. Not the same.
Yeah,
amount,
not the same. Yeah, not the same because you guys just whore your players out. Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
you can make like 100 fucking K playing rugby, but you can make like 100 million playing football. So, of course, these guys are going to go to the football.
Yeah, but did you
camps.
know in Korea, high school teachers make the most money? They make millions. There's a high school teacher who makes like hundreds of millions of dollars a year. He's like the top high school teacher.
Okay.
Like math teacher.
Lily, how do I do the invite thing? Can you teach me?
Go on the website. You have to go on your
Yep.
account, and then
Yeah.
if you screen share, I can help you.
Okay.
Master Debater, do you want to play GeoGuessr with me?
Dude, if it's just me
No,
and you,
yeah,
I mean,
I'm very shocked about
No.
what are you fucking saying? What the
Brother.
fuck is this said?
أنا أحبك حبيبي.
Yeah. Invite
Shut
players.
the fuck up, Ziggy. You just showed your dick. A fucking Discord call. Like, shut the fuck up.
Why are you looking at my dick, dude? That's kind of gay.
No, that's
Invite
kind of
players,
like-
Ziggy. Like
you are a
invite
faggot,
players.
you know?
Where do I click that? Oh,
It's right as a
okay.
Like,
Peace.
what the fuck is wrong with you people? Like, what the fuck is happening here?
brother. Where are you from?
brother, relax.
No, wait.
Brother, where are you from, brother?
أنا أحبك إن شاء الله. Relax, brother. It's okay.
Tell me now, what the fuck is like? What the fuck?
Tell
I
me
know.
now.
I know it was
Tell me
the
now.
haram. It was the
Ziggy,
Ziggy,
haram that
haram,
I got
brother.
that.
Ziggy Japan. Shut the fuck up.
Brother, my favorite
Ziggy
food,
Japan.
shish taouk, spicy garlic
Ziggy
sauce.
Japan. Shut up, Ziggy Japan.
Yeah. شو اسمه
Brother,
Lily.
please stop being haram.
He's either from Syria, Lebanon, or Iraq.
He's I don't know. I don't think Lebanon.
Lily, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Wait, Master,
What
tell
is
me
wrong
the
with
country.
you,
Tell me the country. Let me see if my three are
Yeah,
correct.
You are very weird, you know.
Yeah, dude, go pair of balls,
where
dude.
is-
Don't worry, Allah's not
Are you a
watching.
whore or something? Are you a whore?
For the right price, I think anyone can be
Yeah.
the whore.
Can I pay for you to fuck you or something?
Oh,
What's
damn.
going on?
Okay.
What is this conversation? What the heck is going on?
No, you need to pay me in 5,000 female camels to fuck me.
Do you know how much a camel costs, Lee?
Yeah, you're a whore.
Lily, I'm just clicking play, dude.
You know
Yeah,
that
I've been waiting.
you know that you can buy a girl for a camel. One
Wait,
camel.
wait. I'm canceling. I did wrong rules.
Ziggy, we're in a tunnel.
I did the wrong rules. I
Yeah,
didn't
abort
even
the game.
change
You have to
anything.
abort it. Yeah, you
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
change it.
Okay, I'm
I
gonna
didn't do
go. I'm
anything.
hungry. I have to go eat.
No, you're not allowed to eat.
Tell someone who gives a shit. It's fucking.
You're not allowed to eat. You didn't buy me dinner. You can't eat.
Oh.
Ziggy, you don't have pan or zoom on. You still have the
Panning off, moving allowed.
No, panning
off.
is on. No, we already.
Oh
we did
yeah,
pan.
panning is
Yeah,
on.
zoom
Okay.
and pan. Yeah, and yeah. You
Okay.
have the time too long. Make it 30 seconds.
Mr. Slilly, I'm gonna
Where's
have
it say
to
that?
go.
It's 40 seconds. Make it 30.
20.
Okay, whatever. Yeah.
Ziggy, do you know AI? Are you an AI programmer?
Yeah, he's an AI. Wow.
I weirdly have an idea of where this might be. Okay,
I'm
go.
like thrown off because of the trees.
Nah, come on, you got that. I mean, dude, I may be way off. I was pretty close.
I was gonna guess South Africa too, man. Come on.
Well, I did Botswana, so it's not exactly correct.
I did Sudan, but I was gonna guess South Africa. But I was like, oh, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna be so wrong.
Do you believe in love after love after love after love? I can feel something inside me say, I read the sign, it was in English. So, okay. How the
This
fuck
wasn't
would I have done that?
America. This wasn't America.
Technically, I is, but yeah.
Mr.
Oh,
Slilly,
it was Hawaii.
Mr. Slilly, can I show you a message I received from someone?
Oh.
Where's your server? Vegan intellectuals.
Wait, what?
Wait, where did you guess? You guessed America, and one of the signs was in fucking like Hindi.
I
It said
didn't
nine.
see. I
It
didn't
said
actually
nine. It
get a
said
chance.
999.
I was changing. Oh.
Oh, you have to guess where it is?
Yeah, you want to play?
It's a game?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to
can
play? Basically, it shows a picture of somewhere. It's like a Google Maps image. You just have to guess where it is in the world.
Wait, hold on. Don't start the next round yet.
I can abort if this dude wants to play.
No.
I'm
I
really
just want to
keen on
watch.
people, so-
I have to go soon because I have
Okay,
to.
all
I have
right,
to
yeah.
eat. I have to eat a pee.
All right, help
What?
me out, nigga.
I'm sorry. You have to do what?
You told me to eat a pee.
Oh.
I have to go eat a pee.
By the way, I
Yeah,
know
I
it's
know where we
Nova
are.
Scotia, but I have no idea where it is on the fucking
It's
map.
called
So
it's,
GG.
it's called Nova Scotia.
Yeah, I don't know where to click. Okay, so fuck knows.
What do you mean Nova Scotia is in
What? What?
Oh,
What?
mm.
We're in Chile.
Yeah, it's
Man.
South America. I could have told you that.
Nova Scotia is
Nova
in
Sco-
Canada.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know
North
why I
America.
even thought that.
No, but it
this-
wasn't. It wasn't Canada.
Of
this
course not, it
is
was
This is a
in-
trick. I think this is a trick.
Terminated? Fine. Wait. It gave the answer?
Okay, never mind. You're
Yeah.
smoking it.
I was gonna say, I thought that was a trick.
Okay.
Yeah, you joining, brother. Look how quick it is. It's just a quick game. It's like 5 minutes.
How to join?
Side
Look
chat.
in the side chat. You need to click that
No,
link
I
wherever
don't want to look at the side
geoguess.com.
chat because you have a pee picture.
He doesn't have a PP picture there.
What?
Like Ziggy does not have
What?
any PP picture.
What? What are you
Like,
talking about?
You just look at the side chat. There's no PP. Like,
Okay, so
Dude.
I actually kind of. I wish I had one ready that I would post, but I don't.
okay, where
Dude,
is
just copy paste the link, dude. I don't really know, but
I'll
you
just
copy
DM
paste
it
the
to
link.
him
and-
because he's retarded. So I'll just DM it.
Yeah, no shit, bro.
Patreon?
He said there. He said you posted a PP picture. I sent you a link, Mr. Safe.
To where?
Dude,
In your
My
DMs.
my dick from myself only comes out naturally on the camera. A fresh one. I like to keep it fresh, like a strawberry.
Wait, do you always drink when you stream?
No. What do you mean by stream? Stream sounds weird to me. I'm not on fucking Twitch.com or whatever, Twitch TV.
You're not a Twitch streamer?
No,
Mr. Slave,
dude.
are you joining?
I'm doing
Why would
my
I be a
best.
Twitch streamer?
You didn't send me a link. You sent me 2 lines. I don't know what to do with
Yeah,
that.
you have
Lily, no
Bro.
cap, but I think we might have to just click start game.
you
bro.
copy paste that into Google, and then it's gonna ask you for a code, and the second thing
Oh,
is the
okay.
code.
You could have told me that. I'm not a I'm not like a genius like you, Mrs. Lily. You're like an
Genius.
extra.
All right.
You're a genius. I'm not. I'm a dummy dum dum.
Okay, well, are you copy pasting it or not?
Okay,
Very
Lily.
slowly,
I
very slowly.
might.
Everything I
might
do
be
is very
going in.
slow.
Yeah, dude. Fuck
It's
off.
opening Discord. What
Nah,
is
I'll
going
abort.
on?
I'll abort. I'll be nice.
Yeah,
I'll abort.
abort.
Yeah. I'll be nice. But this nigga's a faggot, bro. I don't mean homosexual.
I'm
either. I
watching your
just mean
stream, Mr.
retarded.
Slave. Yeah, copy that link. Not message link. Just copy the. You're copying the message link.
He's messaging the website.
Yeah.
Asking for permission.
I'm trying. I
No,
tried
do-
already. It didn't
Do
work.
Control C. Control C. Control
Oh,
C.
bro, are you being serious that this is what's happening right now? I went from Squid Game to this. Squid Game is like
Control-
intellectual, like games.
Do Control C. Control C. And
did.
Control
Bro.
V. Yeah, there. Yeah,
Bro.
there you go. And then
Bro.
go back to Discord,
Bro,
and then it's
Bro.
the B75Z
Yeah,
or
I'm in.
Bro.
B75Z.
bro, you
Yeah.
are not in. But okay, dude.
Yeah, you need to click your name and then join.
Man.
He's in.
Okay, he's in. Go.
At the bottom right hand of your screen, there'll be a map. You have to click.
He'll figure it out.
Yeah, it's quick. You only have 20 seconds to figure it out. Maybe we should have extended the time.
No. Fucking hell, brother. Where the fuck is this?
Wait, it's give. What? What am I supposed to guess? Waiting for all.
Click the map. You click the fucking map.
I did.
Well, you did it.
What happened?
No.
You click.
What just?
You did it.
Wait,
You're
he's
actually in
number
first
one.
place.
He's
What did
number
I
one.
do?
He's
I don't know
number
what
one.
I
You're
did.
in first place. You're in first place.
What?
You
I don't know
guessed.
what I did. I guessed what? This is like.
Oh. You guessed the fucking place?
I think this is in Riyadh. Okay.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Slave, like, you're doing chill. Like,
You know,
I mean, it was in Arabic, one of the signs, and they don't speak Arabic in South
No.
Africa, but
I don't like the panning. Mary Ann's Kitchens. Yeah, I wonder where that is.
this might be in Pennsylvania.
No way.
This
I
is
don't know.
like. How do you move? Can you move the thing? Yeah.
No. Actually, in Canada.
Mm. Who's number one? That's right, baby. I weirdly may have a rough idea of where this is. This is going to be really weird if I get it right.
I'm going fucking Portugal because everything relates to the Portugal trip.
Eventually, they reuse the images, which I don't like about this game.
Yeah, okay, close enough.
I didn't get it in
Very
time.
close.
Oh my.
Who thought that was America? You thought that was Pennsylvania.
That wasn't me, dude.
You thought that was
Pepsi. Oh, this is actually really weirdly, I think. I mean,
Brazil.
fuck, dude. This is gonna be really weird. I'm pretty sure I'm right that it's Africa. Okay, it's
Yeah,
not. Fuck.
dude, Mr. Slave, I think he just won.
Really?
No,
Oh.
still no. You got Ziggy on fire, baby.
Oh my god! I'm still.
You forget I'm using my TV as a monitor now, bro. I got
Yeah.
extra fucking
I got
viewing
my
room.
neck like into the screen.
I don't know.
Bro.
I have no idea.
Right. I mean, this could be many places. Okay.
Really?
Ah,
Hey, we all guessed around the same area.
yeah.
Run Run it back. Run it back.
Ziggy number. Wait, let me see my little
Oh
character.
wait, Mr.
dance.
Slave, you gotta click finish game. Then it's a green
Oh,
button.
I'm sorry.
Oh, tell me when he's done it, Lily. Tell me when he's done it.
I don't think he's done it yet. Did you click the green
Yeah,
button?
yeah. Continue. Game summary.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro,
Continue.
who the fuck is this nigga, man?
Continue.
Continue. Oh, you have to click things. Nobody told. Do I have to stay with you, or can I kill myself?
Wait, yeah,
now?
you're good. You're good. You're good. Next round.
Oh, how many rounds do we have to go through?
Until I tell you can be done.
I mean, that
can't.
one was.
It all looks the same. Everything looks the same to me.
Where I've seen this place.
Lily, shut the fuck up. You've seen this.
No,
place
like I feel like we
before.
had this image before.
Maybe. They do reuse images, which is what makes this game not as great. Okay, I'll take that. 862. Whoa. Nigga boy, where did you put yourself?
They're
He doesn't
allowed
even-
to take pictures in Jordan. Like that's. where
Oh,
the
he said
spread is.
Cairo. Oh, good for you, bro. They're allowed to take pictures. What?
Some countries are not allowed to take pictures.
It all
Oh,
looks the
Rodenhof.
same.
Wonder where that is.
That's Germany or Austria, obviously.
Is it?
Yeah.
Man, I thought I was big braining South Africa right there.
Did you honestly
No.
do South Africa for Rudenhaf, Lily? Wait, how do I
Man.
zoom out and view where you put yourself? Dude, what the fuck?
Bro, that looked like a South African tree.
What the fuck did you just do?
Okay,
South Africa.
let's go to the next round.
South Africa for Rudenhof.
Ruden.
Let's go to the next.
Dude. All right, dude, no problem. One day.
I'm gonna get it exactly this time.
All right. Fuck. The quality is so bad. Adovre. I don't know. Turkey? Fuck knows.
Really?
Okay. Oh, is it that nigga again on fire?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
How many rounds do I
Man.
have?
Till I
There's
tell
like
you
600.
stop.
There's 600 rounds.
No.
Yo, Lily, isn't this your house?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, nigga, I have no fucking clue where this is. Yeah,
Oh.
I have no idea, man. You guys smoked it. I have no idea where the fuck this is.
We're getting killed right now, Ziggy.
Everything
Man, it's
looks
got a palm
the
tree. Is
same.
this Florida?
Yeah, dude, this is Florida. Click Florida.
Okay, we're going to Florida.
Yeah, it was Florida.
Oh, let's go.
How the fuck did you know that that was near Saudi Arabia?
It all looks the same. It looks Middle Easty.
But serious.
Everything looks like
I
the
actually,
Middle East.
I know the country, but I have no idea where the country is on the map. So
What
GG.
country do you think this is?
I'm not even gonna say. I'm just gonna click it near where it is, and you tell me. Never mind. Damn. Okay,
What
let's watch my boy.
What
dance.
country were you trying to click?
I can't even. I can't even remember anymore.
Okay, I
Come on,
gotta
Ziggy,
go.
go.
Thank
Go,
you so
Ziggy, go.
much. Thank you for playing.
Ta-
You're the best.
Take care. Take care. Hope you get hit by a car.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How do you leave? General. Bye. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's still playing? Oh, the game is still going. Okay. I'm starving. I'm literally starving. I'm experiencing literal starvationing. Very much starvationing. 2 people watching. I guess it's them. Okay. Hello. Yeah, I'll go eat. Und then I will come back. I will come back. So anyway, I got this interesting message from this guy. I just wanted to discuss it. So I don't remember anything about this guy. I support the current thing. Doesn't hate Jews. Not black, small PP, lying, not honest, satire, God, name is NPC because I support the current thing. Israel committed genocide. Nothing is justifiable. An aggression, both sides are wrong. Yeah, I mean, he was bizarre. Really bizarre position. Okay. So then today he sent me this message. He says, I wanted to thank you for our interaction. It was very interesting, and having listened to it again, I wanted to say that I was sorry as I recognized sometimes my patience could have been greater. You made good points also on how to debate, and I will work on that in the future to have even better debates. Thanks again, and until the next debate, maybe one day, take care. And I wrote, wow, these are very kind words. So he says, not often we can disagree with others and still have a meaningful conversation. And for that, I appreciate you. Definitely your greatest quality I know so far. As for myself, we can always do better. And this was an opportunity for myself to learn from thanks to you. Keep up the great work. Wow. Really interesting. Really interesting. Not often do you get a letter like this. Really fascinating. Yeah, I mean, Discord is an interesting place to have an impact on people. This is like I was able to get people out of the vegan cult. That's one thing. Um, yeah, I mean, sometimes you have impact on people. It's for me. I mean, obviously. Let me show this. I took a snapshot. Let me copy the image. I want to show Evil. I want to show Evil this message. Who else? You know what? Let me put it on my server. Yeah, here, I'll put it here. Okay. All right, let me go eat. I don't know what to eat. What's going on? Going to eat. I'll be back later to continue studying. I'll invite you if you will still be up. Okay. So what did we do? Learn. We did AI. We did brain theory, AI theory. We wrote some Python. What else did we do? Oh my God, Siri. We debated, played games. like geo guess it doesn't matter. Games. What else did we do? God debate. I think that's about it. Okay, we can remove this. Brain theory, AI theory, Python, coding, God debate. Okay, I think that's it. Safe. All right, everybody. Yeah, and J-Rock showed up. Okay, see you later.